From getting dragged out over a single weed roach.
Why are y'all
You're resisting. Get out of the car.
Why are y'all pulling me down?
Resisting.
I'm not. Y'all are pulling.
To stuffing narcotics in a toddler's pants mid-stop.
You just do. Nope, we're not playing that. Stand up. Excuse me? Stand up.
I'm sorry.
Okay, baby, relax. It's okay.
And slurring through a DUI while arguing gender and seizures.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male. Hands on me. No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing? Hands on me. What do I have to identify as? I'm not a female and he's a male.
Today we watch these Karens learn you can't argue with cuffs. Let's dive in.
Stop pulling me out the car.
Put your hand behind your back.
Get in the car. Ma'am, get in.
I said you had no right.
Police conduct a traffic stop on a truck with only a single taillight.
Hello.
It was a dog that looked like Rocco in the road. And I didn't want to run him over, so I swerved to the right. And it was a car on the other, in that lane.
Ma'am.
But I didn't want to hit the dog.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Do you have your driver's license and insurance on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind just rolling your window down for me for my partner over there? The reason why I stopped is you only have one tail light.
Oh,
Okay. Is this your car?
no.
Okay.
My parking lot. My parking lot.
Yeah. Can you mind just rolling? Do you mind just rolling your back window down for me, please? Thank you, because we can't see it all in the car. Appreciate it.
My parking lot.
Thank you. Gino,
One officer detects the smell of marijuana.
where is it?
My boyfriend's car.
Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana in the car? Okay. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
No, he does.
Okay.
I don't smoke.
Okay. Is there any marijuana in the car right now? Because I can smell it. Okay. All right. Just hang tight here with my partner, all right?
What is that right there? Roaches? But that's what we smell properly.
Do you mind just handing me that roach, please? Appreciate it. Thank you. I'll be right back.
Oh, those are the tail lights. Can I have your phone? It's okay for me to have it. All right, 2006 Dodge Ram. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I can park right here.
You can probably, when we are done, you can probably just back up and it's better.
All right. Can you do me a favor? Can you just shut off your car for me? I'm just going to have you step out real quick, okay? Anything else in the car that you want to tell me about?
No.
Okay.
But why am I stepping out?
So we're going to search the vehicle now based on the odor that I'm getting and the fact that you had a bird blunt right there.
You can't search
Okay.
my vehicle.
I absolutely can, and I am going to. So I'm going to have you exit the car.
You can't search the vehicle.
I'm going to have you
Just
exit the
hang
car.
up the phone because he's giving you instructions.
Where we're not like,
He's not giving
we're
me
past that.
instructions.
Okay.
I know that already.
I'm going to have you
She's not going to like what comes next.
just open the door.
You can't unlock my vehicle.
Yes, I can.
No, you cannot.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
You cannot. Why are y'all
You're resisting. Get out of the car.
Why are y'all
Get out of the
putting me
car.
out the car, bro?
Get out of the
Why
car.
are y'all putting y'all
Get
hands
out of the
on
car.
me? Okay.
Get out of the car.
Like, y'all
Now.
not giving me a
Now.
chance to get out the car.
Get out of the
Bro,
car.
I'm not-
Get out of the car.
Why are y'all pulling me down?
Stop
What the
resisting.
I'm not. Y'all are pulling me out the
Put your hand behind your
car.
back. Put the hand
What
behind
the
your back.
fuck? I'm
Put the
not
hand behind your back.
resisting.
Yes.
I am not resisting. Y'all pull me
Stop
out of my
resisting.
vehicle.
You're resisting
I am
right now.
not resisting.
Yes, we asked you to step out. And you said that you
What do
wouldn't.
you mean? All I had to do was get out of
Put
the
your
car.
phone
You
down.
pulled the door open, ma'am. What do you mean?
143. 142.
Can I have my phone? Can I have my phone,
No,
please?
you cannot have your phone right now.
This is harassment, ma'am.
This is not harassment.
Yes, this is harassment, ma'am. No,
Several
I did not
times.
say no. I said you had no right.
We
to
were
search
here.
the
We got
vehicle.
cameras. We have everything.
You said you had. I said you had no right to search the
Yeah,
vehicle.
we have the right.
No, you do not.
And we told you that.
do
Okay.
not have a probable
You can
cause.
take it to court.
Get in the
I
car.
am a female.
Ma'am,
though.
get in the car. You're not listening again. You're not listening.
Then the boyfriend arrives and suddenly an expert on the law.
Why are y'all in my truck? Explain to me. Why is my fiance outside of my truck? Explain to me, please.
You want to wait a little bit and then we'll talk to you?
Why is she under arrest? She
Okay,
did not
hey,
resist. Y'all had no right to go in my truck.
Just wait a minute.
Y'all
We'll
need to
talk to you
explain
later.
this to
Okay.
me. Why is she under arrest?
First of all,
y'all
we
should
don't-
have detained her. I know my rights.
Okay, we don't need to explain anything to you. First of all, we don't have to. We don't have to tell you anything.
I
All right.
heard everything. Why y'all didn't issue a ticket? She lived right here. She's on my insurance.
Just
The
give
bug
us
is
a
in
minute.
there.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a
Okay.
minute, but I want proper answers.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah, we'll
and
do that.
what's your badge number and your name?
1835, and it's Carter. But
1980 Dell.
if you just give us a minute,
I'm gonna talk to you. I'll wait
we'll talk to
patiently.
you. Okay.
I'll
Thank
wait
you.
patiently.
I appreciate
and I
it.
want you to legally justify and explain everything because I heard everything and I have it recorded on the phone.
That's fine. Yeah.
And
We're also recording everything.
Y'all body cameras.
Yeah, we're recording everything. We'll also. You might want to get your transmission checked out after this.
I know about the law.
He honestly doesn't know Pennsylvania v.
I don't think he does.
that says that we can order anyone out of a vehicle for occupation purposes. And they don't have the right to refuse.
And I'm gonna put the lawyer on the situation. I'm not playing. I work. I'm gonna drop the money. I'm not playing. Y'all got the wrong one. Y'all should have detained her, which y'all should have did instead of pulling her out. Y'all talk to her. Y'all don't unlock no fucking trunk and pull her out. Come on, y'all just violated her rights. Stop playing, bro. No order in me.
Seriously,
What's your
do you want
badge
me
number?
to
What's your badge
1650. 1650. Hughes. Okay, she was stopped for traffic violation. She had weed in the car. That gives us the right to search the car. Also, Supreme Court case Pennsylvania v. Mims gives us the right to remove anyone from a vehicle for officer safety purposes. You cannot refuse. If you refuse, it's obstruction. Okay? So Supreme Court case says we're allowed to do that. And there was weed in the car. That's why the car is being searched.
Did you explain that to her? Because I heard her asking you and you didn't explain that to her. Which y'all...
I wasn't here for the traffic stop. I'm just explaining to you what I was told when I got here by the officers.
On the body cam footage, it'll show they proceeded to unlock the truck instead of explaining to her. Someone who unknowingly don't know the law.
Well, I was told was that she was on the phone with you,
Right.
and they asked her to step out because there was marijuana in the car, and you told her on the phone no.
No, they ain't say nothing about marijuana.
They ain't say nothing about it.
Well, then how did they not? Because she handed them the roach.
Why did they force you to take her out of the car?
Because she refused to get out on her own.
Because she refused to get
Yep,
out.
that's obstruction.
So they opened the car.
Yes.
And they took her out.
Yes.
Because she refused.
Yes.
And everything
Supreme.
that y'all
Yes.
saying will play back
Yes.
on the
Case
body
law
cam.
says we're allowed to do that. Pennsylvania.
So when I tried to open your door, you almost shut the door on my hand several times, to where my partner felt it unsafe for you to no longer sit in that truck because we didn't know what you were up to. I absolutely had a right to search your vehicle, and I explained to you why. And you still acted that way. I don't know why you just didn't exit the vehicle. We would have been done by now.
Didn't give me the opportunity.
Yes, I did, ma'am.
You guys will violate my
That's
rights.
not true. I gave you every opportunity to get.
The driver pleaded guilty to obstructing an officer and entered a court-ordered work program in June 2025. 6 months later, she was arrested again, this time for aggravated domestic battery with a deadly weapon, after allegedly confronting her boyfriend with 2 knives. The case is still active, and, without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation.
Or she's reaching in his pocket.
Relax. It's okay.
On the 6th of June, 2023, officers stopped a car with no tags. What they didn't expect was the mother planting drugs in her kid's pocket.
Hey.
Hey, Mr. Smith, it's Steven.
Who?
Steven.
Okay.
Talked to you a couple times.
Okay. You don't have a tag on your trailer.
But there is a tag.
There is one for it.
If you put in Jerry William Howard II.
Okay, well, see, I don't have a crystal ball, and if there's no tag on it, then I can't make heads or tails of it.
Yes, sir.
So there's not a tag on the vehicle, on the trailer
Yes,
at all.
it fell off.
You got your license on you?
No, sir, I don't.
You driving because I hurt my hand.
You hurt your hand? You're able to eat though.
Yeah, but I can't do like this, but I had to be.
You got your driver's license?
No, sir, I don't have one.
You don't have a driver's license? All right, step out for us.
Can you roll this window?
Is there anything illegal in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Any illegal narcotics?
No,
anything
sir.
like that?
Just the kids.
There's kids in there?
Yes, sir.
I didn't see any kids.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Do y'all have a show?
They're just documenting us, what we do.
Now, attention turns to the woman.
When I walked up there, she reached underneath the seat or something. 99's on his way.
Okay. How many youngins is in the car?
I got 2.
Okay. Well, y'all would step out.
But yeah. Hey, your shoes. New shoes. Am I able to use the ball?
When we get done, you step over here, buddy. Hey, she's sitting on a pipe.
I knew she put something under there.
Sorry, it's really, really dirty.
Yeah.
I don't have a vacuum because right now, like, we're working on getting power on our property.
Philip, she was hiding something. It was a box full. Ugh. You ever need a spare tooth? That's gross. Residue in that straw?
I don't know, but it's worth checking for sure.
She was hiding that. What she was doing, I scared her. She didn't see me standing where I was at. I asked her if she had anything on her, and she kind of looked away. So, you able to walk back here real quick? Yep. You can bring your popcorn.
31, 10-4 check.
I'm just gonna go in front of this gold car. I'm super easygoing. Okay. I know. As long as you're honest with me, I can work with you. If you lie to me, there ain't nothing I can do for you. Okay. So, with that being said, there's a female coming out here. Do you have anything on you that's gonna get you in trouble?
No.
You don't have anything in your bra? Nothing in your pants?
No.
Okay. She's gonna come out here and check.
Okay.
So I just didn't want you to lie and go to charge, okay?
Right.
All right. I'm gonna hang out back up here.
Yeah.
Little girl wants to go to bed.
Mama wants to let them go in there by themselves. If they can go in there by themselves, no, we can't let you. Okay. Well, just hang tight for just a minute.
I'll go.
I can't let you go in there right now. I'd buy you grab this stuff. I'm gonna go test that straw.
653-512-05.
I know who you are. You ain't made the good choices, have you? No, you're not. No, you're not. If you got drug and illegal narcotics in you, you're not working on your life except making it worse. So don't kid yourself. We're not trying to be mean or disrespectful, but we wouldn't be in this situation. We wouldn't be in this situation if you were driving, and if you had a tag on the vehicle and you didn't have.
Year.
Huh?
I've had this trailer for a year, and no one spoke with me about a tag. And I gave you the name to show you it was legal.
That name went in this steering right out this one because I was dealing with other things. Okay.
Don't mind, man.
Officers bring in a female deputy to conduct the search, but before that happens, she makes her move. She slips a hand into her waistband and quietly tucks something into her child's pants.
She's reaching in her pocket right now. Or she's reaching in his pocket. Yeah, she's reaching in her waistband. What'd you just do? Nope, we're not playing that. Stand up.
Excuse me?
Stand up.
Ma'am, stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Check his back of his waistband.
If you just put something in him, he's going to be taken away from you. Did you or did you not?
No.
You didn't put anything in his pants.
This coin purse. Honey, I gotta get this out, okay?
Are you kidding me? Really? Are you kidding me? Do not reach up.
Turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I didn't ask you. I told you to put your hands behind your back.
Philip, take her over there, please. She just put that in his pants.
I'm sorry. Okay, baby, relax. It's okay. Okay, hey, listen. Stop. Hey, listen, do you have anything else on you? No, ma'am. Okay, listen, face the car. Okay? Ma'am. I gotta search you. Nothing that's gonna poke or stick me, right?
Hey, sweetie. Hey, sit right here for me. Hey, what's your name? Hey, just calm down, baby. This ain't your fault. Okay? I'm talking to her. Calm down for me, okay?
No, I'm going to stop talking.
Yes, sir.
The whole coercion of telling her what to say was right there just a second ago.
I said it'll be
You
okay,
said
baby.
come out of your mouth. No, you said if they happen to ask, and then you told her what to say. That's coercion.
I swear to God, I didn't.
No.
I said if
no.
You could go
And you want to know why there's a test kit on the hood?
Yes.
Because the straw that was in your seat tested positive for means. That's why.
Really?
So you're probably going to jail too. I mean, if they're stuffing stuff down kids' pants.
Not there, sir. I told you not to do that.
No, the girl.
Just sit in there for right now.
Yeah, I cannot believe she was watching me. As soon as you pulled up, I watched her put it in the back of his pants. What the f***, Jimmy? She pulled it out of her pants and put it in his pants. I hate when people involve like that.
Man, I hate I got an attitude with you, but that really pisses me off when you start diving off into kids with stuff like that. That's ridiculous.
I told her no. I'm sorry, sir.
Well, she's why are you gonna get her out of jail?
She's my pretty mother. You know I got to.
Yeah, and you see what she's.
I'm sorry.
Can I call her to come and get us?
You can call her. Here,
Can I call her to come and get us?
Absolutely.
I watched her. As soon as Jesse pulled up, I watched her.
She wanted to give it back.
She took it out of her pants and put it in his pants. What was your name?
They get Grandma on the phone. She's on the way to pick up the kids.
Well, they were on a traffic stop, but Mom had put something. Honestly, I'm not really sure what all that entails, but yeah, that's what it's kind of looking like. But if you want to come up here and we can talk with you, and then we can get them sorted out, okay? Okay, yes, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Hold on,
okay, here you go.
Hello?
She's on her way, honey. When your grandma gets here, we'll just talk to her and let her know everything that's going on, and then she can take you, okay?
Ain't getting no darker than that. Nope.
He's going to.
Sorry, I'm over there.
Yes. For what? For the possession of that.
I didn't have that. I didn't know that was there. I was just
Have
real.
a seat.
I was honest and everything was honest.
Have a seat.
Can the kids have my money, please?
We'll talk about that in a minute. Just have a seat for a little bit.
What was on the change purse?
Big old thing. Probably the darkest test kit I've ever seen.
Officer Smith, I do not.
That's a positive test.
Well, sir, I do not.
Okay. Well, it was in that little. That was a little heart in the little box.
Yes, but.
And that's what it says. That one good?
Yeah. Hey, if that's her straw, how y'all?
All right, have a seat.
It was in my seat?
Yes.
Even if she says it's hers?
Yes. Have a seat.
Man.
The woman was charged with felony possession and child endangerment. The man was charged with drug possession. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
No, you put your hands on me. What are you?
I'll search you.
May I get my providing test? He made a U-turn.
The 29th of January, 2025, an officer initiates a traffic stop in Florida after a woman runs a stop sign.
Huh? You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you. Step out of the vehicle.
For sure.
Do you have your information?
I don't need to give it to you.
Yes, you do. Why would you not?
Because I came after you and you came to make a...
Okay, step to the front of my car.
I could.
No, you will.
I could.
Go. To the front of my car. Go.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right there.
You're a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
Exactly, but Trump
42694.
That is...
Sit down.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Sit.
No.
I don't care. Sit down.
No.
Where's your identification?
No.
Where's your driver's license, registration, and your proof of insurance?
No.
You've made this so much more difficult than it needs to be.
Because you came and made a U-turn in front of me, and you came after me and turned around. I
turned around because you committed a violation of Florida state statute. It does not matter if it is a yellow light.
Yes, it is.
I have explained to you why you were pulled over. I want your driver's license, registration.
And then you just put your hands on me.
I did put my hands on you because you're refusing to give me your information, and I'm not going to allow you to sit in that car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate this. I'm in charge. Do you understand me?
I'm so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No. Because
then how are you complying? I did.
You put your hands on me.
I did because you failed to follow a lawful
I can take
order.
my shirt off as a woman. You need to identify as a male. I'm a female, and you just put your hands on me.
I did because you are failing to produce your identification.
I did not, officer. I did not, officer.
Okay.
You just put your hands on me.
When I asked you,
officer,
driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No.
Where's your driver's license?
You put your hands on me.
Where's your driver's license?
Put your hands on me.
Where is your driver's license?
Hands on me.
Where is your driver's license?
The officer's patience runs out. She's officially being detained, but it doesn't go smoothly.
No, officer. You put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
Ma'am, you're being detained.
No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
You're being detained.
You put your hands on me. Officer, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
If you do not comply, I'm going to put you on the ground.
I've been complying.
I'm going to put you on the ground.
You didn't even tell me you pulled me out of the car.
And put your hands behind your back.
Your hands on me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I literally have seizures.
Turn around and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Step it up.
Officer,
turn around
you're
and put your hands behind your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
You're making me uncomfortable. No, stop, officer. I refuse. Officer, you're hurting me. I didn't do anything. You didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
No, you didn't, officer. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get your hands behind your back.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey, good.
Officer, please.
I got it. Just get on this side. I got it. Guys, listen to me. Just get on this side. Hey, listen. Get on this side. Relax. Hey, relax. Behind your back. Relax. I got him. Relax. Let's do it. Relax.
He didn't offer anything.
There's no stop. Relax.
I just sat there. He pulled me over. I pulled over. He's hurting me.
Hey, look towards the car. Look towards the car. Look towards the car.
I didn't do anything.
Listen, here. Let's go ahead and fix this. Here.
You're hurting me.
No, you're fine.
I didn't do anything.
Not hurting you.
Bro, I didn't do anything.
You're not listening.
I didn't do anything.
Steve, they won't come out.
Deputy Baker.
Hey.
Deputy Baker, it's Miranda. He literally he stopped me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn.
Calm down.
And then I came out and he tried to put his hands on me.
Right.
As a woman.
Cooperate. Right,
I'm cooperating and then he tried to put me to the ground.
Okay.
I promise you, Deputy Baker.
Take a breath.
I'm trying to take a deep breath.
Okay, you're not cooperating.
I've been cooperating. He tried to put me to the ground.
Hey, just relax.
He did.
Let's go ahead. Okay.
I swear, I've been all my life.
All right. Resisting now is not going to
I'm
do
not
any good.
resisting.
You're all balled up.
Because he hurt me from the get-go. And told me, what do I have to identify as? I'm not a female and he's a male. He was like, how do you know what I identify as?
Calm down.
Hey, do you have any needles or anything on you that's going to poke or stick?
Listen to him.
Easy question. Do you have anything on us?
Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt anybody?
Deputy Baker, I swear on my life, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Answer the question.
He was in his own feelings. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I put on my life. I was sitting at the yellow light and I waited for him to stop and I came after him and he made a U-turn on me. I am calm and he hurt my feelings and he upset me and then he put me up. I didn't even say shit. I came out and I was like, no, I refuse because he was being mean to me.
She's clear. I don't know if this got a hoodie.
No, you're wrong and you know it.
That's fine. I've been wrong before.
You've been wrong before.
I know I have.
I know you have. I know him.
Okay.
I know him faithfully and you hurt me.
Well,
you put your hands on me.
I'm Deputy Thompson now.
No, but you put your hands on me.
I know, because you didn't listen.
No, I didn't listen because you put me out of the car and you didn't tell me what I did wrong. You did that and you know you did that.
I did. I just told you.
No, you're not.
Have you just go do what?
I didn't do anything wrong to you. You didn't even try to ask me for my identification.
We're going to sit in here for just a moment.
You literally just pulled me out of the fucking car without telling me anything.
Just turn and sit right here.
The real problem starts to surface. Open beer bottles on the floorboard. The officer smells alcohol on her breath.
It's going to be a simple traffic stop, dude, for fail to stop.
What happened?
I think she's signal 1.
Oh.
I can smell it on her breath while she's yelling at me.
I didn't do nothing. I just was sitting in the car and I waited.
Listen, the good thing about all this information, okay, is that you're going to have your time in court and everything's on body.
I'm already in court.
Well, you're on the side of the road right now. You're not.
No, I have court.
You good?
Yeah, there's an open beer bottle on the floorboard over there, which would confirm. She was smelling it out of her breath while she's talking to me the whole time.
He passed the yellow light. It was a yellow light. I turned my person on.
No.
I turned my turning signal on. I didn't do anything wrong.
Like I said.
And then he just admitted to it.
Okay.
I asked him, can you get out the car? And I was like, what did I do? He was like, your failure to comply. And I was like, you didn't ask me or tell me anything. You said you made a full U-turn on me, and got in front of cars and all that shit, and I was already turning.
Okay.
I was just going to the store because I lost my phone and I was trying to retract my steps.
Hey, please don't lose that beer bottle. I'm gonna take a picture.
Yeah, no, that's right.
She's sick. Very strong odor.
Oh yeah. And she's got the bloodshot, watery eyes and everything.
She willing?
Yeah, she said she's willing to do it. She's convinced that I stopped her because she went through the yellow light, and I'm like, that's not why we're stopped.
She wants to argue about it instead of listening.
Yeah. Well, that's my concern right now. Is if I get her out of this car, she's just gonna keep arguing with me, and I don't know how far I'm gonna get through these exercises. Because I can tell you, after her resisting me, trying to get cuffs on her, I don't want to take them back off, Sergeant. I'll be 100% honest with you.
She's stuck in a loop, arguing, bargaining, and still missing the point.
Hey, Miranda. What the deputy wants you to do is field sobriety exercises.
Okay.
You know what the difference between that and the breathalyzer is?
Yes, what I asked was, is that the probable cause?
The probable cause is a traffic stop and the odor of alcohol.
Right, but
Okay.
he didn't give me the odor of alcohol. He pulled me out of my vehicle because he said I made a traffic violation, but didn't give me the description of that.
But we're not going to stand here and debate the reason for this.
I'm not debating that, but I know you know that I've been stopped before, and I've been in the jail because of the hurricane, and I can't go to jail because of bond. So I was very compliant because of that. So there was no reason for me not to be compliant. With that being said, why would I go back to jail knowing that my bond can be revoked and I can go to jail for that?
We're going to debate.
I don't know the violation that I committed, is what I'm saying.
He was explaining it to you when you were standing over.
Right. Hello. Yes. Can I please get my sobriety test, please?
Then do you want me to step out for me? I'm gonna search you.
May I get my sobriety test? Like, goddamn, I didn't do shit. What the fuck? I'm not even drunk. I didn't even have one beer.
Well, spare your feet for me.
Y'all are not gonna try to give me a test or what?
Just DUI doesn't just mean alcohol. I mean,
I'm not on nothing. I don't do drugs. What the fuck?
I'm not saying that you do. I'm just saying that
y'all told me y'all were gonna give me a test. I'm like, what the fuck? Where's the test?
Didn't you just refuse?
No, they're trying to confuse me on what the fuck I'm saying. I'm trying to say like I didn't do anything wrong. Is why I'm saying no. I will take a test if I have to prove it.
You'll be able to take a test in the jail.
No, I can't go to jail. I literally just went to jail for a Hurricane Milton curfew.
Yeah, I need her to turn the car. Spread your feet.
Oh, okay.
I need you to stop moving. Spread your feet.
I have nothing, literally.
I don't care. I need you to spread your feet.
My feet are spread, sir.
Phone?
Can I take my test?
Huh?
That's not my phone. Can I take my? I was looking out.
So whose phone is this?
I have no idea.
So do you want me to leave it in the car?
I need to take my test.
You refused.
No,
we just asked you and you refused.
That's not what you said. You made
that's
me feel
exactly
like
what we said.
Going to jail regardless.
I'm back in the car.
No, that's crazy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, y'all are tripping. Oh my God, this is crazy.
Oh, perfect.
The woman was charged with DUI, resisting arrest, and failure to obey a lawful order.
That was a mess in my room. It'd be good if it was a mess.
And what you wearing?
The 10th of February, 2025, Ohio. Officers respond to a call from a male resident who claims his 60-year-old roommate threatened to shoot him after he asked her to keep the noise down.
She threatened to shoot me. And then she said, I don't give a f***, I'll shoot you too. So yeah, I want to file charges.
Was there anyone else here?
There's a camera right there that might have picked it up.
Does it record audio?
Yes.
Okay.
From what I was told, yes.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? So what's going on?
I have no idea. I just got here just like y'all. Maybe a couple. I mean, I'm talking to myself in my room, and he coming here talking about can I keep it down? No, I could talk. My voice carries.
Okay.
And I can say what I want to say. I'm minding my business.
Did you threaten to shoot him?
No. Yeah, I did.
You did?
I don't even have a gun. I'm just frustrated, but I keep it down. I don't have a knife or a gun.
Were you told him you would shoot him? Was he asked you to keep it down?
What I'm shooting with?
I'm just asking you.
No.
So he asked you to keep it down and you didn't make any threats?
I ain't made no threats, no.
You just told me you threatened to shoot him.
I don't know what
At this point, the officers begin to consider whether a mental health evaluation might be necessary.
So why is there an issue then?
I'm just frustrated. I'll keep it down. Maybe you need to go be seen. Yeah, I'm going on there today.
You can go to the hospital right now.
I got things to do.
You have nothing to do, because if they don't take you to the hospital right now, I'm gonna be calling somebody to come and pick you up. And that's just it.
I don't need to go to the hospital.
Okay, well, all right.
I
got cameras.
I
left my phone in the car. Hold on.
When I go to CSS.
So are the cameras going to catch you saying that I'll shoot you?
No.
They're not going to catch that. So why would you tell me you said you were going to shoot him?
I was just talking.
You were just talking?
Yeah, I'm just frustrated.
Okay. You understand that you can't just say that though? He wants to press charges.
For saying that?
You threatened him.
I was just minding my business.
I have no camera footage.
Alright, you can show me out here.
He came in my room starting with me.
Okay.
As you can see, I came out of my room, but she was causing issues. Hey, can you please knock it off?
Can you please mind your business?
You woke me up out of a dead sleeper. All the cops were I'm getting called on you.
I don't care.
When you threatened to burn down this place, you threatened to shoot people. Okay, well, I'm calling the cops.
Does your camera catch it too?
I do want to file charges. Okay. She needs to go.
See how he come in my room? I'm talking in my room.
Was he inside your room or was he in the
He
hallway?
came to the door. I'm talking to myself. That's the freedom of speech. I ain't bothering nobody.
Where were y'all at, in the back?
I was in the back right in front of her bedroom door when all.
He came to my room, Dion.
I was actually seeing. I was right in front of her door.
Did she make any threats while you're standing out here?
Yes, not out here, but she made threats when I was in front of her door. That's about it.
Okay. There's no camera in the hall.
No camera in the hall.
Okay.
She's been disrespectful, rude. She's been threatening to burn down the place. She's been causing a lot of issues since this morning.
She discloses multiple mental health diagnoses: schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and Alzheimer's.
Yeah, but that's the speed of my speech. I wasn't bothering nobody. I'm in my room. I'm frustrated. He comes to my room. He got his own room and I got mine.
Miss Carter, have you been diagnosed with anything?
Yeah, I got schizophrenia.
Schizophrenia? Okay, what, are you taking your meds for that? Are you supposed to? Anything else, just schizophrenia? Have you been hearing anything lately?
I've got
or seeing?
Alzheimer's.
I'm sorry?
I have Alzheimer's.
Alzheimer's?
Yeah.
Have you been hearing voices or seeing things or anything like that? No? You've been
No, I'm just frustrated with life. I'm in my own room, minding my business. I don't bother nobody in this house.
Okay.
I stay to myself. And I can talk when I want to talk. He came to me. And he ain't gonna stop me from talking.
Yeah, I mean, did he come and ask you to keep it down a little bit? Or
yeah, and I told him, yeah, to mind his business.
She's mad. This is how it got started. Yesterday I walked in here and she had a bottle of Smirnoff and a bottle of beer. That's not permitted on the premises. Nonetheless, she was smoking inside the room. So at that time, I told her, listen, you got to get that out of here. You can't be doing that. You know it. She been with me for probably about 2.5 years. She called me this morning to tell me that she needed the skillet to make some bacon. And I said, okay, and I told her where it was at or whatever. I said, do you remember what happened yesterday? She was like, what? What are you talking about? I said, when I walked in that room and seen what I seen, I told her the whole thing. So from that point on, I've been listening to her come to this porch, walking through the house. So that set her off because she knows she came from another one of my group homes, and this is her second outfit. Because for her to break the rules, threaten people inside the house, that's just intolerable here. So she know it. She know that if she got dementia too, she got early stages of dementia.
Okay.
Is why she probably didn't remember what happened yesterday. But to me, she got selective memory.
So she has dementia, bipolar, and she's schizophrenic. Okay. Well, we're trying to figure out if she's all mentally there to be able to understand,
She know what she's saying. She know what she's saying because I actually had another female in here, but I had to let that female go. She did the same thing to her.
Okay.
So she know what she's saying.
She knows what she's saying.
Oh yeah.
But she does have mental issues.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Great. Thank you.
The male roommate alleges she's been breaking rules, drinking alcohol, and smoking inside.
Miss Carter, I'm gonna have you stand up, okay?
For what?
Oh, the gentleman would like to press charges. You're going to be under arrest for aggravated menacing.
That's some bull crap.
Unfortunately, you said what you said, and he has the right to press charges, especially since we have evidence of it.
That man can't bother me. I'm talking to myself.
Yeah, but you can't tell him that you're going to shoot him. That's the problem.
We don't go at it or nothing. I talk to myself.
I understand.
I'm about to leave. I can leave now.
We're past that point.
So how long I gotta stay in jail?
Probably just a couple hours. It's a misdemeanor. You probably bond out today, or they can give you a signature bond.
Yeah, this is bull crap. Can I take my purse?
No, you gotta leave out here.
Probably won't let you take your purse. So they won't hold it there.
You gotta stand up though.
Let me get my money.
We'll grab the money out of there for you. Come on.
I got it. This is crap.
Stop grabbing stuff.
I was taking my cigarettes.
Okay. We're not gonna let you take them into the jail because they're open. Be thrown away. Put your palms together like you're praying.
And I gotta go down in my robe.
And what you wearing?
Going to jail over some mess.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's things that we can't
Well, he
say.
started with me.
All he did was ask you to keep it down.
And I can talk freedom of speech in my room.
Yes, you can, but you can't say that you're going to shoot someone.
Well, he deserved to be shot. Tired of people. The jail over some mess. In my room talking. Ouch. Ouch. That was some bull crap. So you say I can bond out today?
There's a possibility. It's a misdemeanor.
So you say I can't bond out today?
It's going to be up to the courts, but they should be in session today. 1,
Okay.
2. With it being a misdemeanor, there's a chance that you could get a personal recognizance, which means it's a signature bond, just saying that you sign a piece of paper that you're going to come to court.
Okay. You put me in a wagon.
Yep.
Talking to myself. And he coming to my room. Stay in your room, I'm in my room. That's the freedom of speech. That's a lot of paperwork, ain't it? That ain't even necessary to call a paddy wagon.
Now, she'll be spending the night in custody and seeing a judge in the morning.
Oh, crap. Because he started messing with me.
Step on down.
Y'all,
the bottom. I got hold of you. I can
y'all just don't got nothing to do with that.
Okay, this right over here.
What time is it?
I don't know.
Taking somebody to jail for some bull crap.
You ever been here before?
No.
Okay.
Never been to jail.
Never been arrested in jail. Okay.
My record is clean.
Okay. I'll need to check to see if there's a bond right now.
Yes.
It's not a domestic charge, so hold on a second. He's not getting a protection order, right, on you?
No.
Or he or she or whoever? Oh, okay. I don't know anything about the case. Because it's the charge, yeah, you have to see the judge.
Well,
so the judge is set for, no, the judge is set, they set the docket for 8 a.m. in the morning. So unfortunately, you're going to have to spend the day and the night here. And then tomorrow morning, you'll see the judge.
How you doing, ma'am? I'm sure you have Saturday.
Yeah, come on over here real quick. The nurse is going to ask you some questions also, just like some standard intake stuff, okay?
So what we'll do is I'll get you here.
I can't bond out to that.
No.
I'm sorry.
Okay, go ahead and
It's
do me a
not like
favor. Take that thing off your head first.
I gotta take that off too.
Yeah.
This is some bull crap.
I know, it sucks.
No.
This is something.
Do you have a shirt underneath that?
No, I just got TV showing. That's it.
I don't want to see those. You got a belt on?
No.
Okay, go ahead and take your earrings out for me.
We gotta stay all night.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little bit touchy-feely, but that's just, they have to do that.
It'd be good if it was a man touching me.
Right. You just gotta. It's. I'm sorry, but that's. They have to do this.
The woman was arrested and charged with aggravated menacing. If she is convicted, what do you think the punishment should be?
The woman was charged with aggravated menacing, a first-degree misdemeanor in Ohio.
Lady, I'm gonna hit you.
Do you want to be?
Not fucking hit me. You're not gonna fucking touch me, you whore. It's hard. I'm trying.
And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation. It was the 4th of July, but the sparks flying weren't just from fireworks. Officers were dispatched to a DUI crash scene, where a woman immediately refused to cooperate.
Ma'am, can you come over here real quick?
No, I can't. Can you come here?
Can you come over here real quick?
I can't. Can you come here? What do you mean?
Can you step over here? I just want to talk to you.
No, I cannot. Can you come here?
I just want to talk to you. Can you come over here?
Can you come right here? What do you need?
Can you step over here real quick?
No, I cannot. Can you step over here?
You need to walk away from the car.
I don't care what you're telling me. I'm telling you, walk over to here. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, lady. Don't touch me. I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing right here.
Come on.
No. I'm right here talking to him.
Nicole.
You don't have to pull me.
Nicole.
Get off of me. I'm right here talking to him.
No.
You don't have to put your hands on me. Don't play with me.
Stop.
Nicole.
No.
Over here.
No.
Come on.
I know my right. You got your body cam.
Okay, can you?
We're
Yes, belly cam.
giving
Go.
you a
Okay, I am right here.
Walk away from your
No,
car.
don't touch me. Don't touch
All right.
me.
See how
Let
easy
go of
it
me.
is? Do you
No,
know how
I
easy
could have been
that
right there. What the f? You gotta move. Why? Why?
Because I asked you.
No, because
Okay.
that's that.
Okay.
That right
Right,
there.
well, you're gonna stay over
Don't
here.
touch me again.
You're gonna
Don't
stay over
touch
here.
me again.
You're
No,
gonna
because
stay over
that's
here.
public right there. You gotta
This
be
is public
fucked up.
too. Nicole, stop.
Tell her to take her hands off of me.
Stop. You need to stop.
Hey.
Are you gonna stop?
Hey, bro.
Are you gonna stop?
I ain't doing nothing to disrespect nobody. There ain't no
Okay,
reason
nobody's
I couldn't
disrespecting you.
stand right.
We're telling you to stop and stay right here. You're gonna stop and stay right here.
Tell her get her hands
I'm not
off
touching
of
you
me.
right now.
All right.
Don't touch me. There ain't no reason. You see how you're gonna come down the road 25 doing that? You tell me.
Okay. Are you gonna listen?
No, I ain't. What?
Just let her know what we're doing.
Okay. So pretty much the crash investigation's over.
And where's it at? Cause I ain't seen nobody
It's not
here.
done.
We're gonna start
Insurance.
criminal investigation.
Nope. Insurance.
Okay. We have
Nope.
something to read.
Insurance.
I'm gonna read you something real quick. Are you gonna listen?
Nope. I'm not.
I'm gonna read it to you. Okay.
I'm not gonna listen.
All right,
to
Nicole. You have the
bullshit.
right to remain silent. Anything you. Nicole.
Refuse to hear your Miranda rights? Don't worry, the consequences speak loud and clear.
Don't touch me, lady. I'm gonna hit you.
Do you want to be?
No,
You're gonna
bro.
be put in handcuffs.
Don't touch me.
She's not.
Don't touch me, lady. Don't touch me. You're not gonna touch me, you whore. Over some little. You're a pussy ass bitch. You know Todd's gonna you up. You got me all the way up. I ain't doing anymore. You know my rights.
Get up.
I can't.
It's your
You know
son.
my rights.
Nicole.
I bet you won't fucking play with me when I'm unhandcuffed. Bet you won't do it. Bet you won't do it. I don't give a
You're
fuck.
gonna get charged.
You won't with me when I'm unhandcuffed.
Yeah, you're real scary.
Oh, you're real scary. I'm real scary now that I'm handcuffed right now. Right now, you are.
Nicole, you can scream.
You're
all
gonna
you-
let her talk shit to me.
You can scream all you
I
want.
think that I'm supposed to hear her silent.
Nicole, you
You
can
got me
scream all you
fucked up.
want.
You know this is my. You know this is the deal.
Go up against the. Go up against the
Y'all
car.
all on camera. Y'all got f***ed up. Push on my glasses for me, could you please? You're right on camera because we're right here at Brandon Lamley's. I know y'all have heard that
Nicole,
name
enough.
more than one time. F- that. I know y'all have heard. He killed my brother.
Thank you.
You. Get me in the goddamn car. Get me in the car.
You're gonna search you. You're gonna get searched.
I don't give a fuck. What you gonna serve? My pussy? That ain't the search. Don't touch me.
Hey,
bro.
stop
You
kicking,
don't
Nicole.
have a
Stop
touch me.
kicking.
That ain't nothing to search. Get her off of me. I'm not doing nothing.
You're.
I didn't kick.
Yeah.
I'm going like this.
Can you listen to me?
This is me going like this. This is my privacy. They're trying to touch my pussy. Look how they're hitting me. Look how they're hitting me, bro. Look how they're is your facility. You know that, right? Yeah, look.
Nicole,
What'd you find?
you're just getting searched.
What'd
Listen.
you find? What'd you find? No, bro. Take me. Look at me choking me and shit.
Here, let me get
Take your fucking. Where's your body cam?
Nicole, let her search. You're just getting searched,
Where's
Nicole.
it at?
This is on.
Is yours on?
No, it's charging.
Okay, well I want it on now.
Theirs is on.
No, that. Is yours on?
It's on.
The whole time while she's grabbing me, yanking me.
it's on.
So she's gonna.
Oh, you don't have
it's
gloves on.
Stop, mother. Hey,
They have to
hey,
search you.
you better tell this.
She's only searching your waistline. Like, relax.
No.
I need her off the car so I can grab her.
No, that.
To make sure you.
I don't give a. I ain't got nothing on me. She don't need to be hitting me.
Nicole.
She don't need that.
Nicole.
No, she don't need to rough me up. If I ain't roughing you up. Yes, she was. Yes, she did. I ain't got nothing.
Nicole, if you kick again.
I'm not gonna kick. Get her off of me. Get her off of me. I ain't got nothing. Get her the off of me, bro. Get her off of me. Don't slam me.
Nobody's slamming you.
Hey, you just hurt my pussy on here. Push on my.
Nicole.
You're gonna get sprayed. Don't do that. No.
You guys check them at all?
Huh?
You guys check her cuffs?
She's fighting me. She kicked me 3 times.
You gotta get pepper spray. It hurts like a motherfucker.
Keep kicking and you'll get pepper
It
spray.
hurts like a bitch, man.
She kicked me 3 times. Ended up on the ground. I'm done with
I
it.
took her down and yeah, there's no talking to her at this
No
point.
talking to her. We're done. If she kicks, let us know. I'm sorry.
The car has to be towed. It was used in the commission of a DUI.
You got a ticket, traffic ticket?
Yeah, so she's gonna get it. It's gonna be on her property.
It's gonna be on your property, okay? And well, for what? Like for speeding and what else? Stop sign.
And DUI.
And for what else?
For DUI.
All right, that's
She has tickets from us for DUI, so she's gonna have paperwork for that.
Okay, all right. But, are you okay to drive? Yeah, I'm fine.
We have to tow it.
It's 4th of July, man. You know, shit.
We have to tow it for our policy.
You know, okay.
Yeah.
No,
You're gonna have to walk.
Why not?
Yeah.
Why I can't take the deal?
It's against our policy. I can't let you drive that car. It has to be towed because it was used in the commission of a DUI.
Man.
I know. It's kind of crappy, but there's nothing I can do. I'll get in trouble if I don't tow it. So.
You have the keys? Sorry, yeah. Okay. Everything's good. You live close
If you have something of value in there, you want to get out, you can.
Yeah, I live down 2 blocks.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'll send Brayden down for the car. Of course they are.
The what? Come on.
She's probably gonna end up on the grass again.
No! Please! Get your leg back. No! Why the f*** not the hell?
Can I just put my sunglasses up here before this is
Yeah, if you hold my hand.
My shit! Just loosen it! It hurts so fucking bad!
You said they're about to fall off.
I mean, they're not going to come off, but they do not need to be loosened anyway.
Like, we need to tighten them?
At this point, it's not clear if she's angrier at the heat, the cuffs, or the officer, sir, all three.
Alright, spin around.
You're gonna be in the news! Why are you
Spin
roughing me
around.
up, bro?
Spin around and stop.
Why are you roughing me up?
Stop.
Why are you doing Why are you slinging on me?
Because you're acting like an idiot.
No, I'm asking you to loosen it because it
Oh, you
hurts
don't
so
get
bad.
drunk and act a fool.
Yeah, fuck your mom. I'm asking you because y'all got me in a hot ass car.
Just like that.
I'm gonna put y'all on the goddamn news. You got me up. You got me up.
AC on full blast.
I don't give a you just put it on. And you're roughhousing me.
Nobody's
And you're rough. Yes, he is. Look at him hurting my wrist.
Could
Look
have
at him.
doing. We wouldn't have to do this.
Ain't nobody doing nothing.
Right, now
but
let's
sitting here
play properly.
asking you to loosen me up.
Nicole.
Look at what he's doing to me. It's hot. Let's go. It's hot.
The AC's on.
No fucking air.
The AC is on for you.
From the plastic.
The AC is on.
I'm gonna die of heat exhaustion. And y'all's gonna be on the goddamn news. I already got y'all on the news. They're already calling them already. Come on. You're going to jail, man. Time to leave.
So, is there another DUI? Huh? What's Braden doing?
Braden? Oh, that guy was in her car. I don't know. We're towing it though, so it's not like we're gonna let her.
There's somebody yelling at you for y'all, huh?
Was he just trying to drive?
Yeah.
Say again?
She's a fun one.
I mean, just trying to talk.
Hey! Hey! Tell them to open
Hey, can
the
you not?
door! Tell them to open the door so I can breathe!
Nicole!
Tell them to open the door so I can breathe!
Nicole!
Fuck you! Just liar! Open the door so I can breathe! I get no fucking hair! I get no fucking hair!
Well, if you stop screaming, you'll be able to breathe.
No fucking hair!
Nicole, the AC's on in the back.
If you can scream, you can breathe.
And what are my charges?
Yeah.
What are my charges? I want to know. I haven't been read my Miranda. Nothing. I want to know. So I'm sitting in this car for what reason? Against the law.
Put her legs through there. Pull it tight to the door jamb and to the front door jamb.
They didn't read me my Miranda. They told me my charges. Push my glasses up for me, please. Please, they're got me in this hot ass car, sir. Please, look at them. They're talking to me for no reason. They're not telling me nothing. Look at them. No! No! Don't let them do this. Beth, please don't let them do this. It's hard. I'm trying to. Look at him. Officer! Officer! Officer!
Please throw these in the car. Thank you, I appreciate it.
The one behind it.
Nothing in there to hook it to. So.
Nothing in there. There's no metal piece underneath the seat. Yeah, it's gonna be a DUI for just fighting. Her AC's on the back, so she can breathe.
Cool. Okay. Why is it so freaking hot today? I'm dying.
The woman was sentenced to 36 months probation, DUI school, fines, and community service. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
In handcuffs.
No.
Okay, but here's the thing.
Do you want to get your
resisting charge?
No, see the no.
On the 1st of February, 2025, officers in Illinois responded to a home following reports of a woman refusing to leave.
What's going on?
My mom has power of attorney for my aunt.
Okay.
Her husband died like 3-4 weeks ago.
Okay.
So her business partner from California, his business partner from California showed up here and is trying to take her back to California with her.
Why does he believe that he has any right to do that?
Because she's nuts. She pretty much says that it's a female, that they were brother and sister out there, and the family, they're trying to say the family doesn't care about her. So she won't acknowledge that her name's Michiko, has dementia and can't make her own decisions.
Okay.
So my mom has power of attorney. She's doctor ordered that Michiko's not a decision maker. Elder care is involved, so they're here too.
Okay.
So elder care wanted us to call the police for at least a report.
Okay.
I know it's civil, it's everything else. Our worry is that as soon as we leave, that they're take her, load her up in a car, and get her on a plane, take her to California.
Okay.
Are
they the people from California? Are they here?
Yes.
Okay.
They have a lot of money.
Okay.
They have a bunch of apartment complexes out in LA.
Mm-hmm.
So.
But at the end of the day, your mom has power of attorney.
So that's what all stems from, is them trying to get isolated out there for the apartments and the money. Because this is the lady that manages the apartments for my great aunt and uncle while they were in California.
Okay.
So I got her name. I got her info from if you want it.
Cool.
They live here.
So essentially, they just want her in California because they think the family's not taking care of her. Is that what you're saying?
No, they want her out in California. She has round-the-clock care here.
Yeah.
She pays for 24-hour care.
Okay.
They want her in California so they get the money. Okay. No, that's what it is. Okay. They're trying to claim that, oh, we're best friends with her and everything else, you know. But it's all, they want control over these apartments and everything else, which is all in court process right now. Again, I know it's civil, but
didn't she already go to California and end up? One of them ended up in the hospital because they weren't being taken care of.
Yeah, they got her out to California 3 or 4, I don't know, probably 6 months ago, and they declined like crazy in the 2 months they were out there because they weren't being taken care of. And then they came back and he died, and now and then my mom's stuck dealing with it because she's the closest. They don't have any kids, so it's just my mom.
Okay.
Is the power of attorney.
Okay.
So she's not the lady that's here. She's not going to talk to you. She's very.
She won't speak to me.
She won't speak. I don't even know her phone number.
When police confronted the unwelcome visitor, she was polite but evasive.
You don't mind if I step on that?
This is Miss Tappas from California. This
Hello.
is her daughter.
How you doing, guys? So what's going on?
Ask them. I don't know. We haven't tried.
Well, there's 2 sides to every story.
Well, the best thing is for you to contact my attorney.
So you guys don't want to talk to me?
Sorry.
No. You can do what you want to do. How you doing? Oh, just peachy. What's going on?
Our attorney for my she has dementia.
Sure.
I think she's gone decision by the doctor. I have the paperwork.
Yeah, that's what they were saying. So.
And pressuring her about coming back to California. I want to know who's going to buy the apartments. They're using Google Translate to try to talk to her in Japanese.
I just don't understand that, you have...
She keeps saying she wants to stay here.
Even then, your power of attorney, so if she wants to go, you, at the end of the day, have final say. I don't need to explain that to you, but I'm sorry, I don't mean to tower over you or anything. Is there
tower over everybody?
Yeah, it's a thing.
So I think they should leave.
Okay. This is, I mean, they don't have any legal right to be here, so if you would like them to leave.
They supposedly came to pay respects to my uncle because they're good friends.
Okay.
But ever since she got here, it's just been because she was doing the same thing last night. You need to come to California.
Okay. So we just want them to...
Despite lacking any legal right to remain, she's camped out in the house, insisting she's welcome based on a vague past visit.
All right, you guys don't want to talk to me? Do we want to head out? You don't want to leave?
We mean head out from here?
Yeah, from the residence. From the residence.
I'm going tomorrow.
You're going tomorrow?
Yes.
What are we doing here now?
Talk to my attorney, please.
No, I'm just asking a question. This isn't
I know, but
in regards to anything with...
No, I don't want to talk.
You don't want to talk?
No. Sorry.
No, I mean, if you don't want to talk to me, you don't want to talk to me. I'm just trying to understand.
I would, good-looking dude, but I shouldn't.
I appreciate it. You're gonna make me blush, but at the end of the day, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. I understand you're here. Is there a reason why we're camping out? I'm being respectful. I would appreciate if you would do the same. So we just gonna camp out here forever? Is what I'm.
We're leaving tomorrow.
You came to visit? Was this a planned visit? They said you guys, hey, you could come over and hang out and spend the night and stay as long as you want. So you came out to visit and you just decided that you're...
Paying my respects.
I'm sorry. You came out to pay your respects?
And to see that, go to the cemetery, yes.
Okay. And then you just decided that you're going to stay here while you do that?
We did that before.
I'm sorry?
She did it before.
Who did what before?
She came out here and stayed in this room.
No, it was tough, Jake.
Okay. But what I'm asking is, did the guardian give you permission to stay this time? Looking forward, if she doesn't want you here, then you don't stay here.
Why would you say that? She doesn't want us here. Why would
No.
you say that?
No, she would like you guys to leave. Just told me.
I think she wants everybody to leave. They don't want you here. He's kicking you out.
We don't want to sign. We don't have to sign a no trespass order. We don't want to have to sign it, which we can do if we need to.
She doesn't make her decisions. She has power of attorney. She speaks for Michiko. If she doesn't want you here, then you guys have to leave. Do you understand what I'm kind of getting at?
If you talk to me.
I understand I could talk to her, but even if I talk to her, whatever she says doesn't hold any water because she has power of attorney.
Yeah, but.
Michiko has dementia, correct?
I'm an MD.
Okay. Regardless, from a legal aspect, she has power of attorney, correct?
I don't know. I don't think
she does.
I think she can make decisions.
Okay, well, even if she does make her decisions right now in the moment, she has power of attorney. So that trumps whatever she's saying right now. Okay, I'm not going to go 12 rounds with you. From a legal standpoint, she has power of attorney. She doesn't want you in the residence, so she's asking you politely.
Continued refusal will result in a ticket. She now faces a $300 Finian potential arrest.
They need to leave or they will be arrested for trespassing.
Correct. So I have a trespass here. I'm going to fill it out. If they refuse to leave, are we going 95 with a 80-year-old woman?
We're not going to, no. Trespass is not a detainable offense. So
Well, I mean, that's obstructing if she refuses to leave, isn't it?
I would tell her that's what's going to happen. Be like, look, you're going to have to go. So
Okay.
she don't live there. She don't live there, right?
No, they're from California. They explained to me one time that they came out here and stayed. It's like, so you stayed here one time, so you're just on the assumption that anytime you come out, you're free to stay here for as long as you want?
I would tell them, I talked to my supervisor, you have to leave or I'm going to have to issue a citation if you don't, and possibly arrest. So.
Okay. Sounds good. Do I need to explain this?
Yeah.
These are trespass notices. So you guys are going to be... Can you step out with me so I'm not talking over her?
If Diana stay here, you
Ma'am.
stay here.
Ma'am.
Well, now you just said everyone's here.
Ma'am, can you step out with me so I don't talk over with her? Okay. So you guys are going to be trespassed from the property. I'm going to give you this. If you refuse to leave, you're going to get a ticket for $300 a head. If you refuse to leave after that, you're going to be leaving in handcuffs. Is that the route we want to go?
See that you said three things and they contradict.
That is not contradicting. She understands perfectly.
Speak louder.
I'm going to be giving you a trespass notice. After I give you this notice, if you refuse to leave, I'm going to give you a city citation for trespassing. If you refuse to leave after that, you're going to leave here in handcuffs. I'm giving you a trespass paper. If you refuse to leave after that, I'm giving you a city ticket for trespassing. If you don't leave after that, you're going in handcuffs.
Who called me? Diana is doing it to us. He just said, Diane is doing something that made me kicking me out. This is my house.
I understand.
Let her,
understand.
she understands,
Nope,
but she's not
nope.
listening.
Power of attorney.
Diane. No.
Power of attorney.
And yes.
And
explain it to her. She knows her.
I'm not explaining.
She's in shock.
I'm not explaining to her. Okay. I need IDs.
How come you see her like this? She's in the kitchen waiting. She's gonna see. You're gonna see me in handcuffs because Diane's kicking me out.
So we're refusing to leave.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Yes.
If you don't leave right now, you're going in handcuffs.
Now.
Correct. You need to collect your belongings and head out the door.
What was the whole ticket? And then...
If you refuse to leave, you get a city citation for trespassing. If you refuse to leave after that, that's where obstruction of justice comes into play.
Oh, is this the ticket?
That is a trespass notice. So if you're refusing now, you get a $300 ticket. So I mean, if you guys want to add a couple $300 tickets and a charge, we can go that route, but I would prefer not to do that.
What do you call trespassing? What do you call trespassing?
That's a warning. It's a warning.
For what?
For trespassing.
I'm in her home, not Diane's home. If you go, or Diana or go, you stay here.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here.
Okay.
And I don't want to go 15 rounds with you. She has power of attorney. She's asking you to leave. I'm asking you politely.
I don't leave. No, thank
Okay,
you.
I'm going to get the tickets.
They're gonna handcuff me.
We got body cameras going now.
Yeah, and they can give me. Please help me. I want to pay. Open the door. Please come. She was praying. Thank you. He's coming. Somebody lock you. Look at the cops are coming here to arrest me.
I'll get out of the way.
They're coming here to arrest me.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going? Oh, I'm little sick. Worry.
All right. Oh, I want to talk to her.
No, I don't talk to my attorney, please.
No, she didn't do nothing.
No, we didn't say she did anything. I just want to talk to her.
No, you want to grab me and throw me in your car. That's what he said.
She don't do nothing.
Are you going to handcuff? He said you're handcuffing me.
Yeah.
That's not what I said.
You said you're hauling me away.
Correct.
If I don't leave.
I said I was serving you with a trespass, and then I was giving you a ticket, and if you refused to leave after that, you were going to leave in handcuffs. Correct.
Yeah.
So why won't you leave?
At this point, she's not just staying, she's obstructing.
My best friend died. I was not notified by them that he died.
Okay.
And I haven't called, nobody called me. I don't know if he's, I heard through the person that he's dead. And they sent a notice that the funeral was the day before. So they wouldn't let me come. So I picked out this weekend to come after I got composed to visit me to go to the cemetery. And we did that. My airline ticket leaves tomorrow. I have my, yeah.
She's lots of help.
And
many years, you know, family. My husband.
Okay, but here's the thing.
What?
You're being asked to leave. You've
Okay,
outstayed
and
your
I'm
welcome.
saying, no, I leave tomorrow night.
But you don't have that option. You
Why
do not
not?
live here.
I'm just spending one more night. I come from California. My daughter comes from Michigan.
That is a
They don't
moot
care.
point. That's a moot point.
Okay.
So that's the reason why you're being asked to leave, because you're no longer welcome here.
No, she welcomed me. She's the
She's not the one that's saying it. She doesn't have the capacity to do that, and you know dang well she don't. And that's why you're pulling this. We're not trying to be physical with you and forcefully get you out of here.
He's
but
gonna
that,
handcuff me.
but
if I
that
don't
will
leave.
happen.
They're going to handcuff me.
It will happen if she doesn't choose to leave on her own, and I don't want that.
I told them my plane ticket goes tomorrow night.
He don't want to use this.
Here, they're going to hold me.
Stay here.
Right, for one more night.
No.
Right.
And it's not up to her.
Well, it is up. This is her home.
It's not up to her.
Why
it's
is
up
it-
to the power of attorney, and the power of attorney is making that decision. But you totally understand
There's
what's
no
going on,
reason
and you're
for her
manipulating
asking
the situation.
Well, no, for her asking me to leave to visit my best friend. Are you kidding me?
Well-
Of 40-some years, she's going to have me arrested because she doesn't want me to stay here.
Can we get her out of here?
You don't want to go sit in the kitchen. Yeah.
Don't touch me.
Well, don't block me.
You're taking up way too much of our time. Is this your purse?
Yes.
You want to grab it because you're going to be escorted out. And then you're going to go wherever you have to go because you're no longer welcome.
She's 75 years old and weighs just 83 pounds, but the law doesn't make exceptions for stubbornness.
Look at, they take, look at, they won't let me come.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, excuse me.
No.
Excuse me.
No.
Let me through. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
No. Please, don't do it. Please. Please.
Excuse me. Look.
No, don't do it. I don't.
All right. We don't want to arrest you, but that's what's going to happen if you don't leave.
I'm leaving. Want to see my airline
You're leaving
ticket tomorrow
right
night?
now. You're leaving right now.
No, because I've done nothing wrong.
Yes, you have.
What?
Trespassing. You're trespassing after you've been asked to leave.
No.
And now I'm giving you a lawful order to leave. And if you don't, you're obstructing my order. I'm the supervisor that's in charge. Okay?
Antoinette, I don't. She's.
Me.
You caused us to take you to the police department. Nope, you did. Your actions. Your actions.
Why? Because I don't
you're an
listen.
adult. You are an adult.
She's an adult lying.
She is in charge. Unbelievable. How old are you?
75.
Then act it. Stand
No,
up.
you're lying. You guys are
I'm
lying.
not lying.
Yes, you are, because
She doesn't want you here. She has power of attorney. She's asking you to leave. You're not leaving. I gave you an order to leave. You obstructed a lawful order. You're under arrest for obstructing a police officer. Let's go.
No.
She'll have to be picked up so you can bring it back there. Her belongings.
At the police
700
department.
West Lincoln Highway.
I'll give you the address. Give us a second. So let me ask you this.
Yes.
I'll give you one more chance.
I've done nothing
if you
wrong.
leave on your own accord,
Tomorrow 7 o'clock.
right now, I will not arrest
No.
you. Okay.
I've done
You just have
nothing
to talk
wrong.
some sense into her.
I don't know. I mean,
I've done nothing
if I
wrong. This
bring
is
her- if I get her out, I
I can't bring you here. What's
Yes,
the
you
plan?
can.
No, they're going to
There
call
are
the
plenty of
cops.
hotels in town.
No, thank you.
Okay. If she has the power of attorney, and Michi Kohl's her name?
See the power of attorney. It's for health.
Do you want
I'm
to
not.
get your resisting charge?
No, see
Okay,
the
stop
no.
pulling,
Stop
please.
pulling.
You're going to hurt yourself.
I'm saying, see
You're
the
going to
power of
hurt
attorney.
yourself.
Have a seat. Thank you.
No,
My wrist. Can you redo it? Because it's twisted the bone. And
I don't know what to tell you.
Did you see her power of attorney?
My officer already talked to him.
You saw the power of attorney. You didn't see it.
All right. I'll make sure she gets all her stuff and the daughter gets out of here. We'll take her down, just book her and photograph her and cut her loose.
Do you need a hand?
You don't have. Thank you.
I don't want to pull you out. Okay.
It's only weight, and not enough weight to carry down.
Huh?
Not enough weight because I'm only 83 pounds.
Okay.
Facing up to 12 months in jail, mandatory psychological evaluation, and a formal eviction process.
Without notice? Yes, they can. Well, then I just in the first place. You should stop pulling on me. Stop pulling on me.
On April 9th, 2024, officers responded to a call for theft at a local car wash.
What's going on?
This lady here in the Jeep, she came in her store. We gave her 6 packages of our sample wipes. She came in, said they weren't enough, took wipes and spray, told my coworker to get the fuck out of her way. She's like, if I wanted to pay for them, I would, and walked out the way and won't pay or anything.
How much do you owe that?
$10. A place to be. He's just gonna hurry. So don't talk to us. Shame this shit.
You guys have it on video? Yeah. You guys want to pursue charges on it? You guys want to pursue charges on it?
I'm not the manager, but I don't know. I know they're gonna end up canceling her membership and not let her back, but
So no charges for that now.
I don't know. I just don't think it's necessary for you to come to a place of business. And we gave her free wipes already, and then she came back in trying to get more stuff, and then just walked out with the items. Like,
It's kind of something we need to know to proceed though.
yeah. I mean, no, it's not a big deal, but we'll probably cancel her membership. But like, we just have to leave and never come back.
Officers approach the woman who's mid-rinse at the wash bay. They waste no time letting her know she's officially trespassed and needs to clear out. Like, now. Her reaction, well, let's just say it's not exactly what they expected.
Ma'am! Hello? What's going on? Well, clearly something. The workers are saying you took things without paying.
They wanted to leave and never come back when they're canceling their membership.
Ma'am! Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Okay, you need to leave the premises or you're going to be arrested for trespass. What? You need to leave the premises immediately or you will be arrested for trespass. You are hereby trespassed from this location. I have a subscription. They're canceling it. They can't do that? Yes, they can. Without notice? Yes, they can. Well, then I just purchased a wash. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Unless they're going to refund me my money right now, I still have a subscription. It is time to put that down and leave. They owe me money for the month. Then you're going to get arrested for trespass. I'm not trespassing. Put it down. Put the hose down. Let me get my camera. No. Don't touch me. Let me get my camera. No. Are you arresting me? Why are you under arrest? I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest. Yes, do not touch me. Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm black and they're hurting me! I'm black and stop pulling on me! Stop pulling on me! You're gonna get tased. Let go or you're gonna get tased. I'm getting my phone. Stop pulling on me! Stop pulling on me! You're hurting me! Help me! Help me! You think it's funny? You think it's funny? Help me! We're not gonna cut. There you go. Don't tell me against the car. Stop resisting. You're hurting me for no reason. I came to wash my car.
Get on the ground.
I came to wash my
Get on
car.
your stomach.
Help me!
Get on your stomach.
Help me! Help me! Get on the stop. Stop! I came to wash my car. I came to wash my car. Please help me, sir. Please. There are refugees and I washed my car. I paid for a subscription here. Come on. And I didn't arrested. Stop pulling on me. Then walk. Then stop pulling on me. Okay, walk. Stop pushing me. I'll walk. Walk. And stop pushing me. Walk. You're not giving me a chance. Go ahead. I'm giving you a chance. You're putting momentum. I'm giving you a chance right now.
Now in custody, she suddenly remembers her daughter is waiting alone to be picked up.
You guys watched these
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did. Yes, stop pushing on me. I'm walking.
Then walk.
I'm walking at my speed. I have injuries.
Walk.
I have injuries and you're hurting me.
Come on. You're pulling away from us.
I had a surgery on my ankle. You're pulling too fast.
Okay,
and you're hurting me. Thank you. You don't have to twist it up like that.
Don't blocking your cuffs. They don't tighten up on it.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
It's hurting my wrist. I have carpal tunnel.
Well, you resisted, so we couldn't do them properly.
I never
Have a
resisted
seat.
at all.
Have a seat.
I came to wash my car.
Have a seat.
203.
We're good. She's in custody. Lean back for me.
My stuff is going to get stolen. I have a daughter to pick up from school. I'm in a hurry. My child, my minor child, is waiting for me to pick her
Lean
up.
back in the car.
My minor child.
I hear you. Lean
You're
back.
leaving my minor abandoned. She's waiting for me to pick her up.
Where's she at?
She is at school.
Okay. We'll alert the school. What school is it?
Elyria High.
Okay. We'll let them know. What's
She
your child's
walks
name?
down to the square and meets me at the square.
Okay. We'll advise the school.
The school to
Lean
do
back.
what? To go walk down to the square and search for my daughter?
Lean back.
You're leaving my minor child abandoned. This is as far as I can lean back. And my stuff is exposed.
Well, we'll lock it up for you. Any information other than she's at the square.
So asked me to describe her.
We'll have an officer go check
When
the
He
area.
asked me, what was she wearing today?
Do you not know what
Not
your daughter
how
was
tall
wearing
is
today?
she, color hair. He said, what was she wearing
Well,
today?
we can't when you talk over us at every second.
Because my child is abandoned downtown. Wouldn't you be concerned, or that's not an
Hang out
issue?
the county with that female.
It's not an issue. So if a stranger kidnaps my child or does something to my daughter, it's okay? If there's no sense of urgency?
No, of course it's not okay. That'd be terrible.
You sound very condescending.
I'm not. That would be a terrible thing to happen.
I hope your camera is on.
It is on. It's been on the whole time. That's due to your own behaviors today. It's nobody's fault but your own. I told you you were criminally trespassing. You had to immediately leave.
How would I be criminally
Leo Murray, Henry, Adam,
There was a discussion right when I told you that you were criminally trespassed.
have a subscription. They canceled it. And I
Okay.
told you what they needed.
Well, it's all on camera, so.
I wasn't informed of that.
Okay, well, it's all on camera, so you can argue that all you want.
I'm glad it is. I mean, there's no arguing on black and white.
So you just unbuckle yourself?
Was somebody sent down to get my daughter?
Someone was sent down to go look for your daughter. I already told you that.
Not go look for her, go get her.
Well, if she's in the square, then yes, we will go find her and get her.
Again, so very condescending. Maybe please stop talking to me like I'm a third grader. I'm not your child.
Well, you don't seem to be listening to what you're being
I'm
told.
listening to everything you're saying. I'm asking for an update since it's probably been approximately 40 minutes since you first told me you were going to go have somebody contact the school.
Well, you said she was out of school, so why would I contact the school?
Well, at least they know what she looks like and they have her identification. But do I have to do your job too?
Nope, I'm perfectly capable of doing that
well, then
myself.
That's what you said you were going to do, that's what you should have done. You should have followed her.
She accuses officers of bargaining over her daughter's safety, but the booking process doesn't change. No phone calls until intake, no exceptions.
How about Erica? Hey, can you look at your messages? I gotta go. Thank you. Do you want to tell them your name? Are you gonna wait? So they will let you do that. They'll let you grab the number out of your phone and call her once we're in.
That's not to be bargaining my daughter's safety.
I'm not bargaining your daughter's safety. Those are the rules. I cannot give you any property.
The rules. My daughter has been abandoned. She's a minor. She's waiting downtown Illyrian, where anything can happen, where anybody can grab her, and you're bartering with me with information.
Then you should have listened to us in the first place.
You should have done your job and not unlawfully touched me or arrested me for no reason.
Okay. Whatever you say.
I know it is. I feel sorry for you. Why did you for negotiating my daughter's safety? Can you please find out something about her or let me call?
You cannot call. And I have no further
You
information.
told me I could call my daughter.
Yes, once you get into booking, they'll give you the phone number to call your daughter on these phones.
So I have to wait additional time when my daughter's safety is in jeopardy?
Yep.
I like how you're so coy about it.
Just giving you the facts.
You don't care. Okay. Well,
Yeah, can't answer that.
and it might be my daughter.
Nope, you can't have a phone on in here.
Hello? I'm looking for Jasmine too.
Okay, we gotta end this phone call.
Where is my daughter?
Yeah, she's in jail right now.
I'm looking for my daughter. I was supposed to pick her up from downtown Square. And Erica Lemieux.
She called
I went to wash my car.
Man, they already know.
They arrested me unlawfully. And I told them repeatedly that my minor child is downtown.
I don't get service for you.
Okay.
Ma'am, give her the...
Ma'am, she's in the Lorain County Jail at this time under arrest.
She's saying something about my daughter.
I know, but she needs to know that you're under arrest right now.
She needs to tell
You
me
cannot talk to them.
What's going on with my daughter? They're telling me nothing. They're not telling me anything. She's alone. She's by herself. Somebody could have taken her. This is her mother.
She does not.
It's in my phone.
You guys need to hang up
They
now.
won't let me call her. I just want to call her, make sure she's okay, find out where she's at.
Erica, you need to put the watch in the bag.
We can't do that right now. I'm trying to pat her down, please.
That's my phone number.
Dispatch.
Yeah, I'll address this when I get back to the station.
Please find her. Please.
Okay, we have to hang up now, please.
I'll address that when I get back to the
Yeah,
station.
that's a little ridiculous.
April 24th, 2025. An erratic driver caught the attention of Nassau County deputies. What follows? Let's just say it's far from your average traffic stop.
Hey, Deputy Rapture on Nassau County Sheriff's Office. Is everything okay?
Everything's fine. I'm going to my daughter's cemetery.
Okay. So, couple things, right? The car in front of you, right there at 107 and Hendricks, you kind of floored it. Is there a reason behind that?
Her foot got stuck, her flip-flop got stuck on the damn gas pedal.
Okay.
Yeah. We're going to the cemetery. You can follow
No,
us
you're
there.
okay. I'm just making sure.
I just lost my daughter.
I'm sorry.
I'm really
It's been sad.
And then when I was following you back here, you're riding the dotted line, and then you come over to the solid white line, and you come back.
I was trying to get a flip-flop stuck in that.
I know.
Okay.
We ain't doing nothing wrong. I'm just my
Fucking
daughter.
shoes on for this.
Not doing so good. Really not.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't.
Okay. Do you? You don't have a driver's license on you?
I got my ID.
Okay.
She fumbles to explain that she was just trying to get to her daughter's grave, borrowing someone else's car to do it.
Why are you driving a vehicle with no driver's license?
Because I asked her to drive me down there and no way to get there. I don't have a car.
Okay.
I ain't seen her about it since she's been dead.
Do you think that's safe?
Well, no, I don't think it was safe, but I want to see my daughter really bad.
I understand.
That's the whole thing.
I will show you my ID. Let me take my ID out here. I'm going to show it to you. I want you to know that I got one. I'm just stressed out. That's all.
Echo 1, Echo 5.
All right. There you go.
Do you have registration insurance of the vehicle?
Echo 5 Charlie.
This is not my vehicle.
I'm just asking in general.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have
Echo 1 Charlie.
She's
Echo
got
5 Charlie.
I got everywhere, everything.
She's got everything that she needs, really. And I asked her to take me.
Come on, Echo 3 Charlie. You 77, you meet me at
10-4, possible signal 1 investigation.
I'm also Jim Carey's sister.
Jim Carey.
Yeah, we're on 51. What's your 10 story?
But I do.
Okay.
It may not
Arbor and
matter,
Fletcher.
but I also know
Go check that out.
James.
We're doing fine. I wanted to go to the cemetery really bad.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we were
take
headed
me.
down there to take some stuff and leave her. From baby's
Water cemetery. You know us. I'm the water, but I ain't one of the bad ones. I'm one of the good ones.
Okay. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna have you do, okay? I'm gonna have you go and put your hands up on the steering wheel, the driver.
Mhm.
And then I'm gonna come around to the driver's side, okay? Alright. I'm gonna have you go and step out for me, okay?
Okay, I have the seatbelt on.
Go and take it off.
The officer remains patient, but beneath the surface, it's clear they're preparing for something more serious.
Can you drive Jim Carey for me and allow him at least?
Drive who?
Jim Carey.
Who's Jim Carey?
A friend of mine. He's actually my brother-in-law, but he's
Go
a
to the front of my
Fernandina
truck.
cop.
Go to the front of my truck for me.
Fernandina cop.
I asked her to carry me.
Go ahead and step out for me. Go to the front of my truck. Can you not lean on that for me? Stand away from it. Yeah. No, you're good. You can relax.
I know, we feel like we're under arrest.
No.
Well, damn.
So in the state,
I don't feel right at all.
so in the state of Florida, you should not be operating a motor vehicle without a driver's license, right? So that's why I had you get removed from the driver's seat, because technically you're not supposed to be driving.
Okay.
Okay.
But I asked her to carry me. She didn't.
That's what. Hey, what you did is what you did, but at the end of the day, Florida state statute says you cannot be operating a motor vehicle without being in possession of a driver's
Well,
license.
she won't do it again, but I
Right?
ain't been
What's
down
your last
there
name? What's your first name?
Yours.
James.
No, why did you name it?
Me, Leanne. I'm sorry.
All right, spell your first name.
Lea, capital A-N-N.
Middle initial.
Rice Schneider. Is that how you pronounce it?
What's your middle initial?
A.
A?
Yeah. Look how many I was.
Hey, what's your birthday?
2774. Where is Kevin Street from Draga from Florida? That's what I want to know. Come on. There's a bunch.
Come down.
Continue, sir.
I'm a female.
Female, whatever you are, continue.
Okay. So I've got odor of alcohol coming from your breath.
Okay, great.
Have you been drinking today?
No.
Okay, so we have some other deputies here. Would
Okay.
you
They'll
be
say you did. They will agree with you. I'm part of that. Hey guys.
Okay.
What's your name?
Leanne, what did you just say?
I said that I just took her to Scenic Erratic to see her mother. Her father that just died.
Okay.
Mother, I'm sorry.
You just said that we're going to see her
that's what we were
deceased
doing.
daughter. Now you just
Yes.
okay.
That's what
So-
we've been doing.
Okay.
Honestly.
Okay, so these guys are going to do field sobriety exercises on you.
Great.
Okay? Because I have probable cause to believe that you're under the influence of alcohol. You've got an odor, you're slurring
Wonderful. So,
listen, calm down. Listen to what she's got.
I am.
I never calm down.
I am.
Calm down.
Do you agree to do field sobriety exercises?
You gotta do whatever you want to do.
No, I'm asking you a question. It's a
You
yes or
can
no.
do whatever you want to do.
Hey.
It's a yes or no question.
Yes.
Okay.
So yes.
You can do whatever you'd like to do.
Go with Deputy Cook.
H287 Charlie.
Everybody descend upon the vehicle.
Come on, Leanne. Come here.
That's the way it goes.
Tahoe right there, you're going to come talk to me in front of that, all right?
That's not mine, no.
I said that. Did you see that Tahoe?
No.
Despite warnings, she continues to raise her voice and display erratic behavior.
I'm not talking to you anywhere.
You're not doing what?
I'm not talking to you
Okay,
anywhere.
all right. So then you can talk to me right here, okay?
I'll talk to you right here
All right, cool.
and with him.
All right, listen. Hey, listen. Hey,
I can't feel.
Hey.
How am I supposed to know?
Hey, listen. Okay, that's fine.
Please calm down.
I'm trying.
Well, just calm down.
You have a radio on?
No driver's license at all.
But I got an ID, but I ain't got a driver's license.
Okay.
You can take me to jail right now. You can and legally take me to jail.
Hey, step back from him.
Hey.
Step back.
You.
Step back.
Hey, stop it. He can take me wherever he would like.
Well, you're going to jail now.
That's fine.
Nope. You're
For
going to jail.
what?
Driving under the influence of alcohol.
Okay, great. Let's go. Let's do it.
Nope. Hey, you're not going to turn around on her like that.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop resisting. Put your arms up.
I ain't resisting a mother.
Stop resisting.
You are locked. You are motherfuckers and you ain't fucking locked.
Let's go.
Yep. Hey, Jekyll and Charlie. Should 5 Whiskey Fox 55.
You know it. You know it, Dan. I did not truck shit from you. Neither you. You're f***ed up. You're f***ed up.
You want to get my face again?
F***ed up.
Get in the truck.
You're f***ed up. You're f***ed up. You're all f***ed up.
88.
You're percentage and you're f***ed up.
Yep, there's 88 on Leo.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, man, you're hurting me.
Well, get in the car.
Go away and leave me alone. Go away. Leave me alone.
Do you need legs? H. Jekyll and Charlie show 88 on Leo.
Now in the back seat, she's not calming down.
This shit, man. This shit. No. You. 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 Bitch. You. I hope your mama's real proud of what you do. You bitch. You. Hey. Leave me alone. Leave me the alone.
Ma'am, stop kicking the thing or we're not. Alright.
You can't keep kicking me.
Where'd you put the other flip flop?
I don't know where it went.
You slip those cuffs, it's gonna be a bad day for you.
I just want.
No, you're not coming out.
I just want.
You're going to jail.
Down.
You're going to jail.
You.
I don't care. Listen, with that, calm down.
You're not coming out.
I just want.
You're going to jail.
Down.
You're going to jail.
You. I don't care. You motherfucker. Man, motherfucker. You just wait.
She was charged with felony resisting an officer with violence and battery on an officer. Thanks for sticking around. If you want more wild, real-life encounters, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. Which meltdown shocked you the most? When everyday errands explode into chaos.
Don't you even dare, damn it! You have to! You know what,
From a McDonald's meltdown ending in full-body restraints.
understand? Do you know why he was fighting that hard?
Clothes on.
Absolutely, back the
To a gym shower standoff that just won't quit, and an airport showdown over baggage fees, turning federal hit subscribe. Drop a comment below, and let's dive in. Officers arrive at a McDonald's in Ohio after reports that a woman exposed herself to both customers and employees.
You want her gone?
Yes.
You want her banned?
Yes.
Alright, now.
Yes. Thank you. Go back to where we go to the office and we have our daytime.
Alright.
Is that well?
So they want you guys gone. Car 3.
Okay, that's cool. Then we need to be able to get out the door, and if we're zapping too much for that long,
Then
we need to be in the
for J Sporting Goods, 498 Howell Avenue, 38. Pretty sure they just want her banned. Good. You want both of them banned or just her?
No, he's cool.
Is she cool to stay? area.
Is she cool to stay too?
No, she's not.
No, him.
Oh, yeah, he's
Oh, okay, I got
Just
you.
go in the store or did he leave?
What?
I'll double check.
You're cool to stay if you want. You're the one who has to go, and you're the one that's getting banned.
Right. I'm getting to leave.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Let's get a rush on that. You want your shoes or by the front door?
Well, here's the deal. We'll figure this out between myself and my lawyer here.
You're free to stay.
He doesn't do anything. Like,
Is there somewhere you need to go? Somewhere? What's your plan?
well, I was going to try to get over to the store to get some things to buy up the street.
The gas station?
But actually, what I'll probably do is go over to a spot. Go.
Two-way.
Okay. You want to get move on that? What do you need to leave?
Officer Julie.
Two-way, can you start from 999 Cumberland Avenue up into Verbal 10?
My bad.
Do you know her?
Multiple personality disorder.
Okay.
Actually,
I don't. I get it. I just don't want her to go to jail over something stupid.
I know.
Do you want an ambulance?
No, I do not.
Okay.
And I actually have severe CPTSD
Thank you.
to the point of I don't want to have to
Have to what?
hurt anybody.
Do you having thoughts of hurting somebody?
Forever and ever and ever and even. Don't think so, Ohio.
Are you having thoughts of harming yourself?
Nope, not a all. My
Okay.
crew's behind me, reversing,
Okay.
pushing y'all right back out.
You want to get your shoes on? I want to let you get your shoes on before I escort you out. It's cold out there. Is this her stuff?
You're an absolute idiot.
I appreciate that. Negative? Okay.
Not you, but the store. So I take this back.
That's fine.
Not from them.
Are these your jackets?
57.
Get out the damn door, mother.
Yo.
She insists she's just trying to buy something, but McDonald's employees tell a different story.
Did she get it like naked?
She flashed one of our employees, and the customer or two that was in here at the time when she did it, because she did it right in the middle of. No, she did it right here.
Just go. Just go.
Right here, so.
You have it in your arm.
You're gonna know.
It's in your arm.
Bring all my belongings out here and you push me out the door so damn fast I can't even figure out
Yep.
how to get them all back.
You got them all in your hand.
In the car,
Duh.
here in 12 West
Yep,
Park,
you got him.
with the lockout kit.
She's been trespassed, looks like, from a few other places. Also, I was looking to see if she's been from here before, but it looks like it was some other places
I was
around.
trying to give her grace, you know, I just like, man,
Oh,
you know,
sure.
let's see, you know, that's the word, grace. That is the word.
You can only do so much until, I mean, you got kids in here and stuff, so it's like...
But that's the reason why I told her to call you guys, because it is kids in here.
Yeah.
And we can't allow that for this to be an establishment.
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not.
It's not trespassing.
I'm just informing you're trespass. If you come back, you will go to jail for trespass. As long as you don't come back, you're all good.
It's not trespassing because I've been wanting to buy something all day and I can't even get up to the
that's
counter.
fine. They can trespass.
You guys don't understand.
Jennifer, thank you.
Then get it now.
All right.
I mean, on the floor, I kept trying to tell her, like, ma'am, please sit down.
Yeah.
Please sit down. Like, and after so many times,
It's a
I'm
lot
telling
of, it's a
her,
lot
and
of
he
drugs.
told her.
A lot of drugs.
just talk
History
about it.
of,
Yeah.
big history of drugs, so I mean, it's well, no, jeez.
Despite multiple warnings, she refuses to leave.
Leave now the property, you're going to jail.
And I apologize.
Leave now.
But you
That's
have to
fine.
understand, if I don't get that out, somebody's gonna the hell out of me.
Leave now, you're going to jail.
You're trespassing.
Leave the property, you're going to jail.
Put your coat on. Fold.
Don't come back. So let's give her a second. She can go get her glove. If she comes back in, I'm just going to throw her in cuffs, dude.
She's trying to get in.
Jennifer, leave the property, you're going to jail.
Yeah, I can get that bad with this if I
Okay.
So how far do you want to go?
Go home or go wherever you live.
Property. Go past the McDonald sign and you're all good.
So stop.
Stop what?
You're not letting me even balance.
My anxiety.
Sure, you gotta go.
And I'm already pissing my pants. Think about the tent.
You can bounce your
No!
over there. Start walking or you're going to jail.
Put your coat on and go someplace
Well, I
else.
have to get it out of here or you're going to get zapped with electricity. I don't even know how to push it back at you, back at you, back at you, back at you, back at you. Seriously.
No.
Stand down now.
Walk. Yeah. Where are you going, Ron?
Blow it up your ass.
They give her one last warning, leave or go to jail. And guess what? She picks the wrong door.
Jennifer, go or you're going to jail. Nope, nope.
Oh, well, all right.
Don't! You even dare, damn it!
Come on.
I can't, God damn it! Don't make me, please! Help me, Mother Teresa! No! Ah! No! Please stop! Jennifer, 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 Jennifer! Stop, 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 Jennifer! Stop!
Jennifer, stop.
Ah! Damn it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Stop! Stop! I might be pregnant. I have a blood clot. Stop! Ah!
All right, let's stand up.
You have to let me get up! You have to! You have to! Stop! Stop! Don't even make me go to jail for that bullshit. Because you got no idea what you think I can even do. Give me
Let's just try to get her out
balance.
first. Just try to get her out here in the cruiser first.
Stop.
All right, Jennifer, you're going to have to
Please.
do not grab me.
I'm not. I'm trying to get the. You son of a. Stop! Stop!
25. We have someone with a rap.
You're going to get assault on a police officer, so.
No! You don't understand! Do you know why he was fighting that hard?
1713.
Damn it! F you!
You have anything on you? It's going to poke
I'm
cigarettes out
not
my...
f***ing anybody. God.
Do you have anything on you, ma'am?
No, could you please just get me the f*** out of here?
We're going to be at Ollie's with this signal and high.
Take a seat.
Copy 3. At Ollie's.
It's time for the wraps, a full-body restraint used when someone can't be safely transported any other way.
So, because of the way you're kicking and stuff, we don't want you to hurt one of us or yourself, so we're going to put you in what's called a wrap, okay? You'll be able to sit in it. So, I think it'll probably be more comfortable for you. So, what I'm saying is, it's not going to be a problem. We take you out of the back of the cruiser, right? Not going to be a problem like inside McDonald's.
Have you done one of these yet?
Nope.
Beautiful.
She is a squirmer and might be thicker, so we'll get that in.
She's very, like, doesn't...
She's
out of her mind. So, instruction-wise is...
She's been slept or arrested?
Arrested.
Oh, man. All right.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, Jennifer, step out.
Oh, God, I have... Oh, it's cold out there.
Step out. Come on.
My Susie's on. Oh, well, it's all right.
Take your shoes back off.
Do you want your shoes on?
If it's not easy, stupid, can't do it.
You want your shoes on?
I can come my... I got my coat. Dude, you should have took your coat off.
All right, come on, get it on.
Out the door. But then I couldn't get it on because I couldn't
Come on.
get them off.
Come on, let's go.
Please?
You ready?
Come on.
I can't get my shoe on my foot.
All right, well.
If you step out, you can push it in. There you go.
I can't get it in there. So
Why don't you stand up and try to do it?
No, you guys are... Back off! Don't. Use too much force, okay, please?
You're right here. You're right here.
Damn it. Ready, set. Oh!
All right, slip that on her. I got her ankles.
I have to be able to have time to calm my heart rate down.
so that I don't, because I do have a
Underneath
possible thrombosis. He doesn't really get an embolism. Okay, please.
Take a deep breath.
Please. I need
We'll do all these things.
We're going to get you there.
You got 2 more.
Put your arms up a little bit. You can send it.
Stop it.
You're okay.
Please.
You're okay. Take a deep breath. You're okay.
Roll. Yeah, roll your way instead of operating 1, 2, 3.
Ready? Okay. Just take a deep breath.
Just high up on the chest.
High up on the chest?
High up.
Okay.
She's smaller, so.
Please, you're okay.
Please.
Okay,
Please.
Sit up. Sit up.
Don't lean back.
Don't lean back.
You got the other one.
Don't lean back.
Oh, not with that up there. That hurts. Hold on. I have to relax on one side. One's coming up with the other, and the other is not, and you have to stop it. I cannot do it like this. I cannot do it like this.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Tighten it on 3.
No.
Alright, ready?
Get that everywhere. Take that one, second, please.
This needs. Hold on. Yeah, I meant this.
Pull straight back.
Straight up.
Don't lean back.
4 more.
Stop it.
It takes several minutes, a lot of patience, and a team effort.
That's a solid.
Ow! Now stop. Because you can't take me too far without my other being that fast back. Down.
Tighten this
And up so I can get up. I can't, you don't understand. I have to get my shoe off my foot. I'm feeling strangled already.
Come on. We don't want you to hit your head. It's going to hurt. Don't do that.
Okay, well then stop pushing me so far. Okay? Because then I will end up having to hurt people.
Well, you don't
I don't want to have to
All right.
do not have to make me kill.
On 3. I got it. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Come on, dear. Feet first.
Feet first?
Feet first. We'll get her shoe in there. You're good. You're white. You're right.
Stop!
Jennifer, you gotta stop using whatever it is you're using.
I haven't eaten all day.
I'll make you act like
I don't think that's lack of food, girl. I think you're tweaking on something.
Excuse me.
Okay.
No.
I'm gonna unbuckle you.
No, I said you want me to help push her.
Yeah, but just be careful.
Oh, we will.
Be careful.
We're always careful.
Because you break my arm.
Okay. A little bit of pulling.
The boys under me. Ow!
Hold on, she's wrapped right here.
We got it.
She's good.
Ed.
Ow! Hold on. Please take it slow. God damn it. Because as you guys push that way.
She was arrested for trespassing, resisting arrest, and assault on a peace officer. Officers respond to a report of a woman who's been occupying the gym shower for over 2 hours without a membership.
I started at 6 and the people that were working before me said she's been in the shower since 4 o'clock this morning. I went in there and I asked her to leave a couple of times, told her she was trespassing. She doesn't have a membership. And I told her security was outside earlier and she told me to off.
Is there any other females in here right now?
I'll check.
Okay. Alright,
so she's been asked to leave by an employee, told she was trespassing, she's refused to leave. So what do we have?
Trespassing.
Okay. Trespassing what degree?
So she's actually in the shower. She's been in in there.
She's in there right now?
She's the only one in there.
The water running too?
Yeah.
Okay. She has responded to you though?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, police coming in.
There's at least like a screen, so.
Yeah, there's a curtain on there. Yeah.
Is she standing?
I don't want to look in there.
I see.
Is it around this way?
Yeah.
Scam Police Department.
Police.
Your audio video recording.
So the police are here. Okay. If you want to get dressed, and now you can leave.
Ma'am, go ahead and get dressed for us, please, so we can get you out of here.
Sure.
We're gonna give you some time. All right, we're gonna be in here, but we'll be off to the side. So if you need to reach out, if you're in a driving club, go ahead. Okay, we're not watching.
Just like I don't want her like being in there or something, and to be liable for it. Oh yeah, right.
Multiple attempts are made to confirm her well-being. They give her a final chance to leave, but she stays completely unresponsive.
Hey there?
Ma'am, if you do not get ready to leave, you're going to be placed under arrest for trespassing, okay? You understand? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Hey, can you hear us? Are you having a medical emergency or anything?
Ma'am? Are you okay? See your feet.
Hey, can you talk to us? What?
I see we're in there.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you talk to us, ma'am? Do you need medical attention? Ma'am.
After prolonged refusal, they'll have to go in, and they do.
We're going in and grabbing you, okay?
Okay.
All right, ma'am.
You're under arrest.
I'm gonna finish rinsing.
You need to step out.
I answer. Okay.
You're
Please.
under arrest.
Okay.
Ma'am.
I'm not trespassing.
Okay.
I paid to be here. First of all,
You've been asked
let
for
go.
hours.
To leave.
You're under arrest.
Come on.
I have not been here for hours.
That's
absolutely not.
Ma'am,
You're being under
Let go of me now. Excuse me. I will get dressed.
21.
I have not been here for hours. I've been in here for 15 minutes.
You're under arrest.
Ma'am, you're under arrest, okay?
I am naked as.
I know you are.
So are you gonna put some clothes on?
Absolutely. Back the up.
Okay.
Where's your lieutenant?
I don't have a lieutenant.
Don't.
Well, ma'am, stop.
Can I
Get
please
you
get
dressed,
dressed?
okay?
There you go.
No. Can you get these officers out?
Ma'am.
Now, I have been here for 15 minutes. I paid to be here.
So that's not in dispute right now. What's in dispute is you getting dressed.
Absolutely. Excuse you.
Put some clothes on.
Get out.
Put some clothes on now.
I am law
You're
enforcement.
under arrest.
Excuse me.
Put clothes on
I
now.
am law enforcement. I will have your badge.
Okay, put some clothes on now.
Lieutenant.
Please get dressed.
Now, Chief.
Put clothes on.
I will get out.
Put clothes on.
Get out.
We're not leaving.
You will be arrested for sexual harassment. Let go now.
Please get dressed.
Let go now.
Get dressed.
Now.
Get dressed.
I will have all of your badges. Oh, you just got the call? For sure. I suggest you take your officers the out now.
Please get dressed.
I suggest you take your officers out now.
We've been polite. Please get dressed. No more discussion. Please put some clothes on. This doesn't have to be any more embarrassing for all of us.
You're going to be the one embarrassed. All three of you. Chief of Police? You know who that is?
You keep getting dressed. We'll be patient. But if you stop and keep yelling, then we'll just
You
keep yelling.
piece of I have your badge. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Back the up.
You can't go to that bag.
I am going in. I'm going to do exactly what the chief of police said. You know what, mother?
Ma'am, you're under arrest for trespassing.
I'm going to sit here until your lieutenant gets here so I can get some clothes on.
Can we try to slip on those sweatpants on the top or a jacket if she has one handy?
Yeah.
If you walk me out naked,
No one's gonna do that.
You just put your hands all over me because I grabbed my clothes.
Well, no, because you assaulted me.
I am law enforcement.
Okay.
I'm not putting that on. I'm gonna sit. I paid to be here.
Okay. I can talk to you after I read you your rights, okay?
Read me my rights for what?
Well, you're under arrest.
Thank you. Can you help me get dressed and remove these other officers for a minute, please?
I can try to help you get dressed. What would you like me to do?
Can I get dressed, please?
What, do you want to slip some pants on first, probably?
If I have to ask one more time.
Eventually, she puts on just enough to be escorted out with some dignity left.
Your dad's a cop?
No.
He's a CO? Cincinnati State Prison?
I'm not even doing this right, so
no.
We're gonna call it good.
No, we're not calling it good. Put him off straight away.
He doesn't know how to do it.
Okay, well, take it off my head and put it around my waist.
You're raw or underwear? Or something on. Down for now.
You can't even handle it.
Try to zip this up for you.
Your position.
Do you want to put shoes on?
Now I can put shoes on.
That way we can walk you outside.
Oh, I get assaulted. But naked. Shut up.
Alright, we're gonna walk you out. We're gonna come back and get all your stuff, okay? We gotta get another bag to put the stuff in, okay? Turn around, okay? Thank you. You're not injured at all?
Yeah, these mother put their hands all over me.
Okay, what's your injuries? Where are you hurt?
I'm not injured at all.
Okay.
I suggest you don't do that again.
What? We don't want you to go out. It's freezing cold outside.
I don't give a
Okay.
What do you care? It's freezing cold.
Well,
you just snatched me up at naked.
Yeah, I did. Do you want to answer?
AJ's in there some and I'm in here taking a shower.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you want to...
Lieutenant Fisher?
Thanks for the promotion. Do you want to help them? What's your last name and stuff like that?
Did you ask him who I am?
No, I did not ask him that.
Go for it.
Sam, do you have anything sharp in your pockets?
Does it look like I have anything sharp in my pockets? You just pulled my naked out of the shower disrespectfully as...
Were those jackets checked at least before we put them on?
You can open the door.
Can you check the stuff you did?
Yep.
For sure, check it out.
Okay. Just work on the
Did you get
pockets.
good on that?
Yeah.
You like my... Make you feel good? Are you checking my...
Okay.
Didn't you just put my pants on just now? Yeah? Cincinnati. He just got lieutenant. If I transport with these I have your bag. You better believe that.
We're also audio video recording.
Good.
So just...
Absolutely.
Yep.
I'm talking to him right now.
You have the right to remain silent.
Sir,
Anything you
can
say
you tell him to back the up?
In a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have it present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, when will you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Over the radio.
Do you understand?
Did you really just read me my Miranda rights on a trespass? Did you?
You're under arrest.
Did you check the computer system? Tell me.
Do you understand those rights?
Did you check the computer system?
All right,
yes or no?
Do you understand your rights?
The answer is no. Shut the door, bro.
The woman was charged with attempted assault, criminal trespassing, resisting arrest, and possession of a glass meth pipe. It's August 20th, 2023, and at Tampa International, a woman's about to turn a missed flight into a federal case.
Hello. So this passenger, I'm not sure why she wants to speak with you, but she has every right. We already let her know she was being denied boarding.
Okay.
Just due to the comments she made downstairs at check-in. Management was just made aware at 7:30. She's automatically denied boarding and being put on our no-fly list.
Okay.
She stated if she wasn't getting a seat on our overseas flight, she was going to blow the place up, and that's not a threat, it's a promise. We can't have passengers saying that, especially when staff is just doing their job, especially when there wasn't a supervisor even on duty. So
just so I can be sure, you know, so you guys denied her boarding. Did you give her? She got a refund and everything.
She's got the refund card. She has to take it up with Frontier because of the situation.
Right.
It's up to Frontier's discretion.
Right.
So we're not sure. Pending right now investigation. She's just unchecked from the flight and denied boarding for today, but possibly she may be put on the no-fly list.
Okay.
So,
all right.
I told her I gave her what she needs for a refund. We don't issue it at the station.
Right. Okay.
So she has all the information she needs. She's just refusing to.
Sure. Can you hold on to that for me? Just give me a minute.
Chad, I bombed, like, really? And she was talking to another customer, and I need to get on.
I need you,
and
I need you to get off the phone now. Okay, here's the issue that we have here. They have denied you boarding for this flight, okay? Which means you don't have a valid boarding pass anymore, which means you cannot be here. She said they've issued you a refund card that you're going to have to take up with Frontier.
I will.
But none of that is going to happen here. So what we're going to do...
No, I will.
Yeah.
Frontier, I'm done.
That's fine.
I'm
But
done.
what we're going to do, though, is we're going to go get on the shuttle and we're going to go back to the landside terminal, all right?
No.
And if you would like to try to book passage with another airline and stuff,
I would definitely do that. I would definitely do that.
Sir.
Did she say what they said she said? Supposedly a bomb threat. And she's helping it.
Let's walk over. Let them talk. Don't let them talk, and we'll talk.
She said, if I don't get a seat on this overbooked flight, I'm going to blow this place up.
Mm-hmm.
That's
She needs to go to jail.
She needs to go to jail. She needs to go to jail? Yes, sir.
Look at 790, 162, 163. Hey, look at it first and you tell me.
It started over baggage fees and a missing seat.
Just so we're clear. Was she a standby passenger?
No.
Okay, she wasn't. Okay, so did she come up here with an attitude?
Yeah, she was mad because she had to pay already downstairs for that bag.
Okay.
So she was already livid. She came up here twice. The first time she came complaining about the bag she had to pay for. She asked to speak for a supervisor, and I said, okay, my supervisor isn't up here, but at the end of the day, you have to pay for that carry-on bag. That's just the policy.
Right.
So she was like, okay, like, I understand it's not you. So she sat back down, and then she came back up like, oh, wait, and I just realized I don't have a seat either. And then the other lady that was here from earlier, like, we have to assign seats. The flight is over, so give us some time. And she blessed out with this statement.
Okay, so she came back twice regarding the bag.
Yeah, she came.
So that means she actually went downstairs, came through security, came in here, then went back and came through security a second time?
No, she came up once about the bag, and then the second time was about the not having a seat, and that's what sent her over edge.
Okay.
Yeah, she gave it more to Jerry, but she can tell us right now again.
It was just, I was like 104, and I was just took me for a surprise. And I was talking to the guy, and the girl was helping another customer, and she was being hostile with me. She was like, "I'll see you at the gate. I'll see you."
Ma'am, here's the thing. There's certain things you can't say.
I know.
You can't say fire in a movie theater. You can't say you're gonna blow up here.
And then say blow up the airport.
Ma'am, they said if you don't get on a plane, you're gonna blow this place up. That's what they're saying.
I did not say that up there. I didn't say if I don't get on, because that's why I got my ticket. Like, why would I say that up here?
What was the conversation like?
It was downstairs, and I'm like, are you serious? $104?
Oh, over here at the ticket.
At the ticket, I just said nothing at the counter, nothing at all. And that's with the girl with the hair. She was down there, and she was being hostile to me. She was
What was that conversation?
Because I was like, $104? Are you serious? I'm like, really? And she was like getting hostile.
And what did you respond?
I said, I was like, I didn't say I will blow up this place if I don't get on the plane, because I'm checking my...
Well, that's the information. So what was it exactly that you said?
I said, I didn't say I'll blow up this place, because I was upset. I'm like, I will... Because if I'm downstairs, why would I say I will blow up the plane? And I was just upset. It was like, I was upset because I had to pay $104 for a carry.
Did you pay it?
I paid it. And then I gave them my money back now.
Yeah, I think they said they refunded you.
They didn't. I checked my bank account.
Yeah, it takes, listen, it takes a couple days. When they do that, those credit card transactions, it takes a couple days. But they assured us
and
that
I'm pretty sure you're on their side, so...
What's that now?
I said, everyone is on their side, so...
No, miss, this is how it works. When you reprimand your child, You want to hear what the child says, and then you got your side. So we got to listen to both.
And she was being hostile to me. And I'm like, why are you in our business when you should be attending to you have customers right there?
Yeah, and we weren't there for that part, but we still need
and
to
I did say Frontier is like soldiering because it's a joke. Steve Harvey says it all the time. This is like Spirit Frontier soldiering, and I was like, this is soldiering.
Tries to explain herself, saying she's just frustrated. But at the airport, threats, even jokes, are federal business. No excuses.
But anyway, this is where we're at. So you gotta just mind your P's and Q's. Okay?
We have to notify the FBI about this stuff.
So the FBI.
Thanks, Tony.
Did you call contact?
Okay, I appreciate you.
Anytime you say anything of that circumstance,
And she was being hostile to me as well.
you can't say stuff like that, especially not in an airport.
Listen, service can be rude sometimes, but
I can't feed back into it.
I mean, you know.
Well,
you can argue, man, with somebody. No, let me finish. You can argue. Like right now, I can argue with you.
You can argue with me. All right, it won't be productive unless we listen to each other. But if you argue back with me and I argue back with you, at the point that we take it to a level that there's laws that address the extent that we're going, we can be breaking the law then. If you yell something that's not allowed by law in a movie theater or in an airport, then it's a big deal. So that's where you've got to understand that. You seem like a nice lady, but that's not a question they hear. Like, and I'm figuratively speaking, if right now I started yelling, fire, 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 well, that's against the law. If I start yelling, I'm gonna blow this place up, there's a bomb, well, that's against the law. There's a law for that. If you call me a no good, bald-headed whatever, there's no law against that.
I said so plain, because that's what they call Spirit and Frontiers. It's like, literally, it's ghetto.
I don't know
and
that.
It's the cheapest.
But ma'am, here's the thing. Okay? Bottom line, what they're saying you said, you can't say over there. And we can't, in this environment, we can't look the other way. Okay? So that's why I double-checked with what was said, what's being reported, what was said. Okay, and the statute just says all you got to do is threaten to do it. Okay, and that's like I said. Now we have to notify the FBI. We have to notify our detective, who's a liaison. We got Carol's getting the written stuff over there.
So I want to see it before I sign anything.
Well, ma'am, you don't. Right now, I'm just informing you. Okay,
I just want to make sure I'm not being.
You're probably going to be arrested. But I just need you to stay as calm as you are right now.
Yelling, no cuffs just yet. But this is heading in one direction, and it's not toward another boarding gate.
Ma'am, it's one of those things.
I'm looking for a job.
Ma'am, listen to me. Okay? I'm not acting this way because I don't want you to see me as uncaring. Okay? Do you hear what I'm saying? I'm just being bare bones with you. Bare bones. These are certain things you cannot do in this environment that cannot be overlooked. Now it can be looked into later. They can go and they can do whatever they do, but that's federal.
So I'm being arrested.
Ma'am, I'm not gonna lie to you.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
I just was
Let's start heading first.
You can sit down. Have a seat.
Look at my record. I'm 51 years old, never been arrested, never been.
Ma'am, we're not saying anything to have to do with that. I'm not. That's why I double, triple checked. I asked over there.
We don't always have the ability to say, oh well, whatever. I don't know you well enough. You call me?
Yes.
Go ahead, buddy.
114, 116.
You've got to understand, we can't just, some things we're not able to just say, it's no big deal. But I'm a open-minded enough person to understand. You may have said something that crossed the lines, but what's that?
She was pestering me. Like, why would she be talking to me? And she was like getting me riled up.
I don't know.
I'm on the
but I mean, like, but you But
I'm over here, and I know.
But ma'am, let me ask you something. If somebody makes me mad enough, should I be able to just say anything to them or in any environment? That's not. I understand what you're saying, and listen to me. I don't want to keep. I'm not trying to argue with you.
Only gonna arrest me for the people.
What I want you to do is, if you want, probably it's normal to be upset right now. But I don't like.
Officers arrive at an Ulta Beauty location in response to a reported shoplifting in progress.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Oh, okay.
Come on, let's go back in.
Go back in the inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I can't even make it to my car. I'm not gonna run, sir.
I know you're not.
Okay.
Never know alone.
I got enough money to buy all of this shit. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna buy it, so could I walk out? No?
The time to buy it was back then. You don't have a loss prevention office or anything? No.
He's the security
Is there
guard.
anywhere we have that we can do this? Okay. Can I bring her back there? Or?
I asked him, could I buy the item?
Well, you concealed them, so no.
Okay.
We're going to press charges, obviously.
Okay.
Ma'am, come sit down here, please.
You take the stuff out for you. Make it very easy.
Ma'am.
I'm taking the stuff out. Oh, okay.
All right.
No problem.
What's that bag? Let me see
This, I came in here with that. I only use that bag.
As the items come out of her bag, the excuses start flowing.
I've been very nice to you. I didn't try to run from you or anything.
What that mean?
I mean, I feel like you can give me a warning. This is my first time doing
That's
it.
not up to me. That's up to them.
I know, but what I'm saying is I pay for all the stuff that I have anyway.
Again, that's up to them. What's your phone number?
Sir, he said it's up to you. I don't want to be rude, but I know that I lost my job 2 months ago, and I used to come in here all the time and spend like my whole paycheck basically. I know I was wrong, and I have learned my lesson. Trust me, I would never do this again. I would never come back to your store. I would buy every item that I have in my bag, literally.
Well, you're not gonna come back anyway because you're gonna trespass.
No, I'm saying I'm not coming back in. No, I'm saying I'm not coming back in.
We have so many things that we could have offered you if you just gave us a little like heads up and everything.
I can't hear you,
Just
sir.
try to get me out of my address.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. I can't hear you.
Those are hers, obviously.
Some of that stuff I already had in my
Ma'am,
purse.
sit down, please.
No, I'm sitting down, sir. You act like I'm trying to be rude. I'm just trying to make sure you get what you're
Everything else
supposed
I
to
cannot confirm minus this health, but these guys.
Minus
I
the
cannot
what?
confirm them. Those are all. They should be hers. These are the only ones that are hers.
Okay. Thank you. So yeah, I'm talking. Can I speak with him? Because
No.
I can't speak with him anymore. You just said it's up to him for me to speak.
I'm
with him.
conducting an investigation.
No, I understand you're conducting an investigation, but I'm
Okay,
talking
but
to
you
him.
cannot speak to him. He's working right now.
He just told me I can speak with him. He had no problem with that. I just don't want to lose
We'll be
my
outside.
section name. I don't want to lose my housing. I have 4 kids. I don't lose my housing.
Okay, so you worry about the wrong thing.
No, I'm just trying to speak to him to see if I can buy the items instead. Because it's the same thing. I didn't leave the store. They got all the items.
The officers start reading her Miranda rights.
Those are Miranda warnings, man.
Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You understand that?
I don't understand why you're being rude and you're a man. Like, what are you being rude for if I'm trying to buy
I'm not
something?
being rude, man. You have the right to remain silent and not
I'm
answer any
asking
questions.
you
Do you
another
understand
question. I'm asking, could I speak with him because he has the
That?
authority
At this time, you are not
to
able
do
to
it.
speak with him. Man.
But he didn't say I can't speak with him. You're saying that I can't speak with him, and I'm just trying to save myself from going to jail because my son is there.
Smoothly, I'm no longer having this conversation. I'm
No.
letting him complete the investigation.
No, I understand. I was just
So
saying,
we're
could
gonna
I
let
buy
you
it? That's
slowly-
all.
I'm gonna say no.
Okay.
Because if you were gonna buy it, we would have done it the first time.
Okay, but everyone makes mistakes. But okay.
Of course we do. Yes, but
Don't worry. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this.
Okay.
All right. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You understand that? Yes.
I'm listening to what you're saying.
I need you to verbally confirm whether
I'm
or not you
handicapped,
are.
so I can't. Like, I'm mentally
Okay, so you are
bipolar
physically
disorder.
Okay, so you are physically
And
unable.
schizophrenic.
Okay, so you're saying you're mentally incapable of giving me a statement.
I'm not.
Are you or are you not
I
capable
am.
of giving me a statement?
I am.
What's schizophrenic?
Schizophrenic is when you hear voices.
Schizophrenic?
Oh my God! Whatever that.
Okay.
Yeah, that.
All right. So, do you wish to give me a statement?
No, not really. What I'm giving you a statement for when I can't recall exactly. I want to be
So you're
verbatim what
refusing
happened.
to give us. You're refusing to give a statement.
You saying that it really don't matter at this point anyway, so you know.
I'm asking you.
You saying it
Are
don't
you
matter at this
refusing to
point.
give a statement?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I'm just trying to let you know that
May I read you your Miranda warnings and then I can talk to you?
I don't understand them for you to be
Okay,
reading them
you
to
gotta
me.
let me read them.
Okay, but I don't understand what
All right,
you
you
just
have the right
asked.
to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand that?
I am slow. Like, you can call my mom. You want to call my mom so she'll be able to translate it to me? Because I don't have my full.
Okay, so what part of that don't you understand? That
I don't
you have the right
understand.
to remain silent and not answer any
I don't
questions.
understand none of that.
Okay, so you're refusing. You're waiving your
I'm
right.
telling
Okay.
you that I have a disability.
Okay.
So, hey, I tried to talk to you. You didn't want to talk to me, so I'm going to talk to you either. Because I done seen too many people on Instagram get caught stealing, and y'all give them a warning. I'm asking you to pay for everything that I got, so it's even fair. Like, I learned my lesson. I'm blocked from the store, so I don't understand what's going on. Could you call Officer what you call it for me?
Who? No.
What you got?
He is funny.
Very funny. What are you gonna ask for if he gonna say that?
Mac, I just take your wonderful picture. Yeah.
No, ain't nobody.
May I have one by name and date of birth?
You can take it like this though, but
No, I got one
cool.
for you.
As long as you got one, I ain't gonna take no picture.
It's gonna be a black female.
You're not the supervisor. The supervisor rides a white truck. You're not the supervisor.
Officers confirm her identity, along with a history of theft, resisting arrest, and open warrants. That's Sitch when the door really closes on any deal.
Now, what do you need the supervisor for?
Because I need to speak to him. That's why. Bullard. I need to speak with Bullard, and if I can't speak with Bullard, I need to speak to Ryan Patterson. That's who I need to speak with.
Came back with a female born in '94, same first and last name. She is on Florida inmate for grand theft.
I'm on
Pause and length, nothing active, history of felony theft, 31 criminal mischief, resist with 31 LEO, and Act 31.
And I served my time for that years ago, 8 years ago.
1026, ma'am. Can you 103 that to me, please?
I don't have a warrant or anything, do I?
Yes, sir. Ma'am, stand up. You're being detained. You're not under arrest at this point.
No, I'm finna put my glasses on so you don't break them. I'll show you I'm finna put them on. What?
Thank you.
As long as you don't break them, because they $700, baby.
Okay.
And that's me.
Have a seat. Thank you.
You're doing too much for no reason. Be a man. No, it did not come over 9. It came over $900. Oh, okay. Just know I'm claustrophobic, just to let you know.
Okay, that's fine. You need medics at any point, let me know.
Yeah, I need medics now. I said I need medics.
I need to know for what before I call.
Oh, I'm feeling like I'm finna pass out.
You feel like you're finna pass out?
Y'all finna have a panic attack.
Okay, alright, no problem.
Thank you.
I'll call him once we get outside.
Thank you.
I told you that.
No, you wouldn't even let me talk to the man. You talking about you.
He don't want to talk to you.
He did want to talk to me until you started being a little hoe.
No problem.
Until you start being a little hoe.
Alright, no problem.
He could have really got your ass, please, but I ain't finna pay trying to get down here to my damn car. You know, bad D.
Don't play with your life like that.
Play with my life?
Yeah.
You must don't know. I'm a NASCAR motherfucker driver.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm claustrophobic.
Claustrophobic.
Whatever you want is you so smart, sir. You so smart. You shouldn't have been a damn
Sit back, please. Sit back, please.
I can't sit back. My hands behind my back.
Okay, I need the seatbelt.
Okay, sir. My hands is behind my back. I'm at my lowest
so
point.
you don't want me to put you in the seatbelt?
I ain't saying I want you to put my seatbelt. You said
okay,
sit
so
back.
I'm
sitting back.
I have to reach across.
Okay, and I'm sitting back. What you want me to do?
Okay, all right.
Because you aren't supposed to be detaining me anyways. A female officer supposed to.
I'm not supposed to do what?
Detain me. A female officer supposed to come to search me.
That's not true.
That is true, but all right. Move in these cuffs.
Okay.
I don't know who you.
So we're gonna fix
gotta
him.
be a rookie. Yeah, and could you call the sergeant for me? Because I asked for the sergeant, and I'm allowed to get the sergeant. You ain't got to manhandling me because I ain't manhandling you. If I'm telling you the cuff's too small, what you pushing my elbow to the front
Ma'am,
for?
unfortunately, I just so happen to be a man, and I am handling you. But manhandling you, I'm not.
Look how tight these damn cuffs is. I can't even move my red.
Ma'am, I can
put
my 2 fingers inside.
But I'm telling you that they're hurting my arm. I ain't even nothing.
Okay.
See? That shit is bruising
right,
my
if you
arm.
stop
Look.
moving, if you
Because
stop
I'm trying to
moving,
show you it's bruising my arm.
Excuse me.
Yeah, because find you somebody to play with and call the sergeant. Because I don't know what you got going on. You mad about petty shit, stealing shit.
I'm right outside
Be mad
the
about all
store.
these homicides y'all got to solve that y'all don't solve.
You have the itemized receipt?
Yes.
Was it all just makeup products or?
It's a mixture.
Mixture?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it all this
Yes.
stuff right here?
Yep.
Okay. You know what the total came out to? Okay. I love that. And this is, as far as we know, this is everything that she took? Okay. Alright, cool. So everything's recovered. And
Yep.
I'll just get pictures of that stuff that I have to list it in my report. And then you have footage.
In the patrol vehicle, the suspect grows verbally combative.
Take this stuff off of me.
You can't take no stuff off of me. You gotta be a female officer to touch me.
Okay, ma'am.
Please call a female officer. Yeah, call a female officer, please. You're not finna search. You're not finna touch. You told me I'm finna take off my clothes. What the f I look like?
Ain't nobody said you was
You
gonna
said take off your stuff.
Ma'am, don't you have jewelry on?
Yeah, but you said take off your.
Don't you have jewelry on?
My earrings ringing. I just told you it's my what you call.
Okay, you cannot have any loose articles on you.
Right. But
Don't worry about it.
again.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry
Okay,
about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Guess what?
All right.
I ain't killed nobody, so I will be out, clear as day.
That's fine.
Yeah, what you saying? You trying to hurt a female. You must ain't got no females in your life. You
My
can't
family
have-
don't steal, sweetheart.
And I don't either. But I ain't finna, but like I said, I would pay for it. So that ain't stealing because I got the money to pay for it. Stealing is when you don't have the money to
Okay,
pay for
all
it.
right, no problem. You proved your
Okay,
point.
yeah, I'm trying to prove my point. That's all I'm trying to prove, my point.
Okay.
You'll roll my window because I'm not trying to argue with you, sir, and make
No,
you
you're
do
not
that.
finna make me. You're not finna run me. No.
I'm not trying to run you.
You asked me to roll it
Bring
down, so it's gonna stay rolled down.
Okay, sir.
All right.
You say.
You said you was claustrophobic, so now your window gonna stay down.
Right, okay.
With the AC on,
Okay.
so you don't think I'm torturing you.
You are torturing me.
Okay.
I'm
All right.
asking
You want stuff from me?
Yes.
And I need stuff from you.
Okay.
Right now, I do not readily have a female available, but I need to get these items off of you so I can get you
Well,
out
take
of
my
here.
earrings off.
Okay.
Well, could I put it in my car so nobody don't steal it?
Where's your car?
My car is down there, the white Tesla.
I'd rather it go with you so we can keep track of it. I can't speak for it if it's left in your car in a
Yeah,
parking
but
lot
this is a
unsecured.
necklace. This necklace is $10,000. I don't want to do that.
That's why we're gonna take care of it.
I don't understand why I just can't pay for the stuff.
That's not up to me. I told you that. That's up to the store, and they decided that they were going to prosecute. That's not up to me.
You wasn't even letting it be up to you once he said okay. And
It can't.
started.
1 second.
My necklace.
Yes.
13 hours.
You cannot have this on.
Okay, could you take it to my son then? Could you take it to my son? Wait, let me do it. Let me do it because I want you to pop my necklace because my
I'm
necklace
not
is
gonna
very
pop your
popular.
neck. Okay, I understand that.
Okay, because it's a way you got to take it off. No, let me do it. 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 I got it. I got it. I got it. Because this can't be replaced. And
Yeah,
here's
yeah.
the ring. it ain't gonna come out. Ow! What the? It ain't gonna come out. Don't take my.
then
Yeah,
let's wait.
just let the gun club people take it out when they put the oil on there. Ain't nothing else on
We
me.
gotta take the bracelets. Yes,
Oh, let me do it. I do.
And what keeps ringing on you?
It's they calling my phone from my car, and my car ain't gonna keep doing it.
Where's your watch at?
It's an eye tag thing. It's in my shoes. It's gonna vibrate over your back. Yes, it is. I got it in my shoes, so that way, pull this thing up. If you pull the back of this up, you gonna see it. You gonna see it if you pull the back of this up. So
No, it's
yeah,
not. Where is it?
I don't got it. And you cannot touch me. Officer cannot touch a female. I'm gonna sue you guys, and I'm gonna make
Okay.
sure I call my uncle too.
You cannot go. Where is it? Is it
I need
inside of you?
to. Yes, it's inside my private part. Yeah, that's what it says. It's inside my private part. And you cannot touch my private part. Because if you touch my private part, y'all gonna get
Is
sued.
it inside of this?
It's in my drawers. It's in my drawers.
Okay, so I have to warn you that introduction of contraband to a secure facility.
Call the female officer so she can dig in my drawers.
I just told you I do not have one.
Well, that ain't got nothing to do
available.
with me. Because I can't go in because you don't got no female officer to check me. You ain't finna stick your hands in my pants.
I didn't ask you that.
Okay, so
I
I
didn't
don't
say
know what
I
else
was
to
gonna
tell
do
you.
that.
I don't know what else to tell you.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
And it's inside of your
Pants.
You're inside of your pants or inside
My
of your
drawers. My drawers with my pants.
And what is
I got on board shorts and I got it in the middle of my crouch. I always put it in the middle of my crouch. So yeah, that's what it said.
Is that a phone?
No, it's not a phone. It's an Apple Watch. The new Apple Watch that just came out, the black one.
Officers worked to finish processing, removing valuables, securing the scene, and making sure the suspect stayed safe and followed protocol.
Hi, how are you? Good.
What do you got on you?
Nothing. I got shit on me.
Okay, turn around.
You can pull it, the bottom right here.
Is that your phone?
That's my Apple Watch.
Oh, do you have it on?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take that off.
Huh? I don't have it on me.
Oh, okay. So loud.
Yeah, I know it is.
She just has a pad on. She has a pad.
What's that ring?
It's her Apple Watch. She said.
That's what I'm saying. It's not on her wrist.
Oh.
That's what.
Where's your Apple Watch at?
And my Apple Watch, that's what's ringing, my Apple Watch.
No, but where is it?
My Apple Watch is connected to my tag thing. You know how you find your devices and stuff?
Yeah.
So that's
She asked you where is it?
Shut up! Damn, shut up! I can't even talk. Man, I'm not talking to him no more. Because he is too rude. He's been rude since day one. I'm telling him my son is over there, and he don't want to let me buy the stuff from in the store because he want to take somebody to jail so bad. I don't got time for him.
Alright, talk to me.
Yeah, I'd rather get in the car with you and talk to you. If I can't get in the car and talk with you, I don't want to be dealt with him. This man is rude.
Listen.
I don't got time for that.
So where is your Apple Watch?
My son is across the street.
Okay.
Came over here to get a couple items and to go back and pick my son up. Only thing I asked this guy for from day one. At first, the dude in there, the Ulta dude in there that's, I guess, in the room or whatever he calls himself, at first, that man was fine with it. Like me paying for the stuff and going on about my business. He don't want me, he want me to be arrested instead of paying for the shit. You get what I'm saying? And my son is across the street, meaning DCF going to get my son.
Okay, listen, where is this noise coming from?
It's an eye tag.
Okay, but
eye tag in my shoe. All my shoes is eye tag. You ain't never seen it on TikTok?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, all my shoes are eye tag. Even my Jordans. I take the tongue out of it and I insert it.
So the tag is in your shoe? Mm-hmm.
You can't see it.
What do you mean?
All my those shoes right there. All my shoes like that. All my shoes like that. My Jordans like that. My Nikes like that. My New Balance like. You go buy the tag. You gonna have them remove your insert, the bottom of your shoe or the inside of your shoe, depending on where you want it, and they gonna insert it inside your shoe. So you can always find your shoes. You can always find your devices.
No way.
Yeah, Google it. TikTok.
But it's heavier than the other shit and the other one.
Ain't no damn air tag in that shoe. It's inside of her clothes.
Ma'am, I don't want to ride with him. I don't feel safe riding with him. I asked him for 2 supervisors, and he have yet to give me any supervisor that I asked for, and that's illegal for you to do. If I'm asking for higher authority, that means I want higher authority. I need a supervisor now. I'm getting tired of him. He really working my patience. I'm dead ass serious. He working my patience because I don't care nothing about nothing. Only thing I care about is my son.
Give me the phone.
No.
Give me the phone.
I'm gonna get her the phone. I ain't giving. You better not reach between my motherfucking legs. Okay. I ain't gonna argue with you. I don't care as long as I told my I need to tell him. And I got another phone. You ain't gonna do shit about it. Mad ass. Y'all get bullied in school. That's why y'all be trying to be officers.
I'm not doing anything for you. I've already contacted a supervisor. They said they would be on the way to speak to you. I've already called medics for you. I've already been more. It's on. Yeah, it's on. Yep.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for grabbing between my legs.
Mm-hmm.
Man. Could you put my handcuffs in the front? Because I am pregnant and then I can't even hold the phone up.
I cannot put your handcuffs in the front.
I'm pregnant. So technically they're supposed to be in the front. I said I need you to come to the outlet. West Palm Beach outlet. My car here is at the outlet. I need you to pick King up. I need you to take King to my people, but I need you to get my car because I know that your car is not gonna make it to my people. You know what I'm saying? I already got gas, I already got everything. I let my auntie know that I'm in jail, but I'm gonna bum myself out. So let her know that. I already got my car information because I don't want my baby to go to DC. Come to the outlet. I know what you're saying. It's gonna be sent out here for you to do it. I just need you. That place closed at 5:30. I just need you to make it before 5:30. I really need you to come get my car so you'll be able to make it. So you'll be able to make it to where you're going with him because I know that your car is not gonna make it. I'm at the outlet.
You want me to put your property?
Put my property in
all
my trunk.
All of your jewelry inside of there.
In the trunk.
All right, along with your purse.
Along with my purse.
All right, and
I just want my phone.
Leave the key in the car.
Correct. You gonna put my purse in the trunk with all my stuff, and then because you know people be looking at people wonder.
Okay.
And then my car keys, you can leave them inside the car.
Okay.
The suspect was charged with felony retail theft for stealing over $1,000 in merchandise, along with resisting a law enforcement officer. And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation. Officers respond to a reported shoplifting in progress at a Kohl store.
All right. She's in the changing room right now. She's got jewelry and some clothing in there. She tries to steal on her person. I got footage from her in the past store and stuff like that.
Okay. You don't have an LP office?
Yeah, I got her over here on the right.
Where's the room?
It's
What she look like?
African, female, braids, gray sweatpants, black hoodie with a white symbol.
Okay. No, we'll right here for her. Y'all never CTW'd?
No, it's been recent. I was going to fill out police report. I got all the evidence and everything. Just haven't had time to put in a police report. Been busy.
Okay, sure. $25.31. Where you at?
If you come in the store, we're going to be in the center by the fitting rooms. Yeah, you can go get them if you want. I know what I'm looking for.
The suspect is located and quickly bolts for the exit, but she doesn't make it far.
Come here.
Sir.
Go ahead and come with me.
Well, I ain't got nothing, sir.
Come with. 231 Central. I got one running. Get out of the car. Where are you at?
We're right out front. She's in custody.
Now that was about the dumbest thing you could have done.
Why'd we run?
Because I'm with my nose.
All this.
I'm with somebody and they had me stealing.
For socks. Going to jail for socks? Let's get inside. If they got a loss prevention area, we'll search her there.
Yeah. Where's your LP office?
Back inside, the search begins. The suspect admits to concealing items in her pants.
All right.
Let me search her.
You got gloves? Yeah, there's something right here.
Yeah, I see it. All right. Hey, look at me. You're a female. I'm going to search you. I'm going to walk through what I'm doing as I'm doing it, okay?
Okay.
How much stuff do you have on you?
I just have something that's in my pants.
Okay. Do me a favor, face towards the camera, or face away from me. All right, I'm going to pull the back of this way. Is it underneath here as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tracer 1 mile for 25 minutes. Oh, he's where?
We're code 4. Go ahead and sign me a case number.
Hey, she's got a buddy that was here with her last time. He's at the registry right now trying to check out.
Is he attempting to shoplift?
No, not this time, but we have
Okay.
case
Can you file a case number with us and everything?
No, yeah, all I got.
We ain't got nothing on. All right. I'm gonna unzip your jacket. What are we wearing underneath it?
Oh, I just got on my shirt and my.
Okay. I'm gonna check your sleeves. Picking up your hair to check your hood. And behind you. All right. Here's what I'm gonna tell you. Look at me. Because you ran, you have an extra charge.
Okay.
You are going to go to Perry. Okay? Concealing stuff on you when you get inside of Perry is an extra charge. Did I miss anything?
No, sir.
Okay.
Press X.
Not me being a minor, I got it.
You're a minor? How old are you?
My November 14th, 2002.
How old are you?
Hold on.
You said 2002?
Yeah.
You're 20. You're not a minor. Minor are people under the age of 18.
Okay.
Okay.
That should be a $300 bracelet.
Where's the bracelet at?
I left it.
You left it? Did you take it out of the packaging?
No, yeah, I left it in the thing.
With the merchandise tally climbing past $300, including shirts and a still missing necklace, the charge goes from petty theft to felony shoplifting.
$30 shirts. Yep.
Have a seat.
All right. Well,
I don't know if you heard, but multi warrants.
Okay.
I think 2 through Bibb, 1 through Cobb.
Bibb and Cobb?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, stand up for me.
And 1 in Cobb.
Price wise, it's just, is this?
I'll get you a receipt and give it to you.
I've got it.
Oh, you already got it?
Price, I'm just trying to think. Still, shopping.
I don't know what the total was.
That'd be 4 fucking.
Round 6.
Okay, it's done.
Yeah, it's felony shoplifting.
Okay. Yeah, it's over 5 because of the necklace that's still missing. We got to that though once we started adding up the shorts and stuff.
Yeah.
That's why I can't do some Kohl now. Kohl's too expensive.
I know, they sell Caterpillar jackets. I didn't even know Caterpillar had a line of clothes.
It's crazy, bro. And the security, wow. All right.
Thank you. Look like you had fun.
I'm trying to like transports because I thought they were over there.
No, we both pulled up here. I went the wrong direction.
She was charged with felony shoplifting, obstruction, and multiple outstanding warrants. What a stubborn Karen. Right. Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively. On November 27th, 2024, deputies responded to a welfare check at a Publix grocery store after the woman's family reported concerning behavior.
You want to call your dad back and have a conversation with him? Yeah. I would love to hear it.
Never mind.
So you want to try to have this talk in Publix, right? You want me to go in Publix? Go in the parking lot so they can shoot me like Michael Brown? Oh. They're not going to shoot you. They might. Oh, more of them keep coming. Crip, 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 crip. Crip, 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 crip. She asked me where I keep my gun, though.
Hey, you okay?
Why you talk like that? Why you ask so fat? Why you walk like that?
No trespasser? Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. Because if you want to carry on, we're just going to have a civil conversation with you. But if you want to carry on,
okay, I'm trying to bring up young girls from Memphis from the
No, we'll just have you trespass and then we'll purchase
thank
your
you,
stuff.
Water. Hey, Kristen. Baby.
No, you can leave all that in. You're not
Just bring your purse.
Bring your purse.
She asked me where I keep my gun, though. Oh, I don't talk about that. I'm a stupid bitch.
Okay.
Oh, that's too fat. Started out having fun, though. She asked me where I keep my blood.
The store manager requested she be trespassed.
Are you the manager?
Yeah.
Would you like her to leave at all?
That'd be fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
she's going to be, I don't think she's going to stop.
Yeah. But she asked me, like, for stuff, and that was the one I was telling you about.
Yeah.
So, yeah, y'all can trespass her.
Okay. We'll tell her to leave her cart, she can grab her stuff and go.
Yeah.
Is the scarlet letter in the letter?
All right. We're walking outside. Come on.
Is the scarlet letter at the side door?
Leave. Do not touch him.
What are you doing?
Gymnastics!
Stand up and walk. Listen, if you don't get up and leave, you're going to go to jail.
Come on.
We'll just do that one.
Come on.
We'll just do that one. Stop. Ridiculous.
Come on, be an adult. We'll call you back. Whoever this is.
It's her dad. Ridiculous.
All right. Problem solved.
Slice,
44. Okay.
Have a
secure so far. Let's go ahead and make her in my profile.
Find out where you live and chill him in the crib. Chill him in the kitchen.
Can't use my car.
We going in. We going in.
Drew the short straw, Eddie.
Huh?
Drew the short straw, Eddie.
First off,
I walked out, I saw it, I was like, yep.
Are you a soprano?
hello, motherfucker. Hey, hi, how you doing? A sleazy ass baby come and take it in urine.
Is that the scripture? The Bible?
From Michael Brown's diary, you little yeah. I read it in fucking post. Okay. Hello, motherfucker. Hey, hi, how Max Miller doing?
I guess Mike Brown actually put in one of his chapters.
Yeah. Skirt, motherfucker.
Right here, Eddie?
Yeah. I
Hold on.
just got it so we have
You want to pursue battery charges for her touching you?
Yeah, because I just fell. You better not say I hit anybody. I'd collapse.
Oh, no.
Andy, do you have anything in your pockets you're going to poke me, harm me, or blow me up?
I might suck
No, thank you.
Hello, motherfucker. Hey, hi. Are you taking me to Emily Oliver?
Who?
Emily Oliver?
Close. St. John's County Jail.
No, we do crime first before.
Why are you taking me to jail?
Mental illness.
Resisted.
I
We
didn't
asked you to
resist.
leave the property, you didn't want to leave the property, then you touched somebody, and then you fell on the ground like a
You
child.
want to call C's and not being an adult.
wanna-
Now you're going to go to jail for trespass after warning and probably resisting without.
That's
Disorder.
yeah.
Well, that
We
too.
could have had that
And my
conversation. You
parents
actually
just couldn't
wanted
have sold me as a fucking kid. Why did my parents have to sex traffic?
I don't. Can you unlock
Could you
the door?
answer
I
that
don't
question for
wanna-
me? Why did my parents have to sex traffic?
We could have had an adult conversation. But
Oh, you could have been a motherfucking gangster about it.
in the car. Nobody wants to hear it. Bye. Nobody wants to hear it.
During the ride to jail, she rambles on about everything.
We can't necessarily do disorderly because we have to have a complaint. We have to have somebody saying that she was acting.
Yeah, go get your witnesses. Go get your motherfucking Jehovah's Witnesses. Go get them. Ask you I disturbed Satan, the devil. Did I wake the fucking devil up and that's why you arrested me? Oh,
Hey, stop talking.
I'm the wrong casualty. I'm just a 20.
Cheers to Signal 86 and Anna's gonna be 10:15.
For my dad, Adam, the biggest ass piece of shit baller you ever meet. My fucking sister's 11 years old. She get her ass beat all the time. Shit ain't cool. Y'all think?
Yo, Anna. Anna,
Yeah.
what you want to listen to? Your favorite song, come on.
Oh, yeah. I'm the back. Yum, yum,
No?
yum. I like cats.
Cat, you want cat songs?
Yeah.
What you want to listen to, Anna? What was she rapping to? Was it Lil Wayne? Hey, you want to listen to Lil Wayne?
Hello, motherfucker. Hey, hi, hello, it's Jackson. Can I call my friend Jackson? You guys. You're my rat. You're a little rat.
Is it a real song? Are you gonna be cool inside or no? Whiskey Foxtrot, semi-cooperative. Are you gonna be cool inside? Are you gonna be cool inside? The nurse comes out and gets. I'm like, you've been here on the previous red ones or no? No. They'll come out. It's also pretty nice. We have to stay in our car, just work on the report and stuff. You could also turn your camera off once you're in here, but whenever it's a female, I don't. If it was a male, we just turn it off and. But you know, females always say stuff later on, so you always can stay on. But yeah, they'll come out. A nurse will come out and.
Officers responded to the Short Hills Mall after receiving a shoplifting call. They received a clothing description of the suspect as they arrived at the mall.
She's walking towards Bloomingdale's by Victoria's Secret. I'm trying to catch up. Hi, ma'am. Stop right there. Hi. I'm Officer DeLakey, Milburn Police. Just so you're aware they're recording on body cam. Okay. Stand over here for me.
Okay.
Right over here. Okay. Were you shopping in any stores today?
Yeah, I just came to the mall.
Okay, so I'm just gonna read your rights real quick. You have your right to...
What?
Just listen here. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Hello? Why is he recording me? What's going on?
Relax. Let me finish my
I'm confused.
statement.
What's going on?
I'm going to answer your questions after I read my statement.
Hello? What is it? I'm in the mall. It's on the
I ever stopped by Crate and Barrel?
Crate and Barrel? I don't want to Crate and Barrel.
Right. Are you going to listen or are you going to talk?
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one could be appointed to you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. What store were you in today?
I just went into Pink and I went into... I forgot where I went into before that.
Okay.
The woman questions the stop and denies any wrongdoing. She provides a photo of an expired ID, claims she only shopped at Aloe.
Did you conceal any merchandise on you? Did you take any clothing? Because we're going to go to the store and look at the cameras. So.
Okay. Hello?
So did you take any clothing?
No, I did not.
Okay. Can you just do me a favor? Hang up the phone real quick while I'm speaking with you. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't. I have a picture of them on my phone. I recently lost it because it got expired.
Okay. 3, can you go to the store and confirm, please?
What store are you talking about this happening?
What store have you been in?
I told you I went into Paint and I think I went into Aloe after. That was it.
Okay. All right. Let me see your ID real quick.
It's expired.
Okay.
It's expired my birthday.
Do you have a valid one or is it the only one you have?
No, it recently just expired. That's a copy of the only one I have.
Okay.
But recently just expired.
Sorry, I got out of it. Where was it?
Oh.
Thank you.
I'm under arrest for what?
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained at this time.
Detained for what, though, officer?
For potentially shoplifting.
For potentially? Not for actually potentially?
So you're matching the description of somebody that reported shoplifting in a store.
I just literally got to this mall.
So we're looking at camera footage right now.
Okay.
If you didn't shoplift, you'll be on your way. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. What's the phone number for you?
My phone's gonna be cut off.
The right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Hello? Why is he recording me? What's going on?
So what did you take from the store?
I didn't see. For what store?
What's in your dress that you took from the store? You're on camera.
What camera am I on, officer?
Every camera that's in the store caught you putting stuff in your dress.
In what store?
So
the store that you were in.
Let me explain how this is going to go down, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to hold on to your phone. So you're going to be placed under arrest, and then you're going to be searched, and we're going to find the items. Either you can just give them to us now, or when we have an officer come and search you and find the items, then we can charge you additionally.
Okay, and what happened? Yo, tomorrow's my daughter's birthday.
Okay.
My kids go back to school tomorrow.
Is that why you took the items?
For my daughter's school, and her birthday's tomorrow.
Okay, well, let's give us the items that you have concealed under your dress, and then we'll get you out of here as soon as we can.
No, I know y'all gonna arrest me. Like,
we are.
So
Either way, we need the items back. Whether we get
do it right here.
Are they tucked in there, or can you just pull them out?
Like, I don't feel comfortable doing it right here.
Okay. All right.
Is it like a corner I could go into?
Let's go in this corridor over here. Okay. I just need you to take your purse off real quick. You can keep everything in there.
I cannot lose money.
It's all coming with you. It's all coming with you. We're gonna hold on to it. We're gonna hold on to it. And again, like I mentioned originally, everything is recorded on body camera. So.
My sister, Sharifa.
Take this off.
Call mommy and tell her I'm getting locked up right now. Call mommy and tell her I'm getting locked up. I gotta send you Dante's number too.
Okay.
I'm in New Jersey. Call Kimmy too.
I'll let you make a phone call when we get down.
Alright.
Call me. Where are you?
Okay.
I tried entering for you.
Can I go to the corner?
Just welcome me. See that exit sign? We're gonna walk right over here.
In a semi-private hallway, the woman began pulling out handfuls of concealed merchandise, dozens of stolen lingerie items from Victoria's Secret, and leggings from Aloe Yoga.
Right here.
He just walked up. Yes.
And whenever you have it, you just go on the ground.
Okay. My Lester's gonna pull you out my head, so.
Make sure it's all of it because, like I said, you're going to get searched back there, and if you don't turn it over now, we're going to charge you additionally. Okay.
Am I gonna make it off on my daughter's birthday tomorrow morning?
Yes.
That's all I care.
Okay. Just confirm that's everything.
Like on a week.
I said confirm that's everything that's on you. Make sure that's everything that's on you. Definitely nothing else in there. Like that. It's a New York deal at the top.
I just want to make it for my daughter.
That's definitely it, right? Because I'm telling you, you're going to get searched. She's going to go under your dress. And... Okay. Can you just take the dress off? I mean, you have pants underneath, right? Okay.
So I feel comfortable taking it off, but I have nothing else.
I'm sorry?
I don't feel comfortable.
You don't want to take it off? Okay.
I feel comfortable.
Like I said, as long what's this strap here?
It's for the dress.
Okay. All right. So like I said, you're going to get searched when we get down there. If there's more merchandise, that could be an issue.
Can you just be honest with me?
What's up?
Am I going to make it for my daughter's birthday?
Yes. Like I said, you were pretty transparent, right? You did admit to
I
it.
can show you her date of birth.
Listen. I'm going to work with you, okay? You gave me everything back, right? So, are you going to get arrested? Yes. You're going to get processed. I will do my best to get you out of here today, okay? Okay? All right, just come over here and come over here and just stand on the wall. Just put your hands behind your back.
When I able to go in my phone because I don't have no number.
It's all going to come with you. I'm going to let you make a phone call when we get back to the police department, okay? Unlock your fingers.
You got
yeah, that's what it's not.
You repeat? What the person says they're covered, I mean, it's
Can I ask you something else?
What's up?
The money that's my son is current at the hair salon. The money I have in my bag is to buy sneakers to school tomorrow.
Well, like I said, all your money, all your property is going to come with you. When you're released, you're going to get it back. We're not keeping your money, okay?
This woman, I can show you everything that I'm not lying about. My kids going to school tomorrow.
Okay.
And I can show you my daughter's birth certificate. That tomorrow is really her birthday.
Okay, so that doesn't change anything, but like I said, we're going to do some paperwork.
I know, I just want to...
I'm hoping you'll be out of here in a couple hours.
I just want to know that I'm not lying to you.
Like I said, you gave me all the merchandise back, and I'm taking your word with that, okay? So, I'm going to work with you, and it's just going to be a shoplifting charge, okay? So that's it. So, maybe a few hours of paperwork. You're not going to miss her birthday, okay? Don't stress about it. But you're going to... What's up? That's all. So what stores did you steal from?
Because there's Victoria's Secret in there.
Yeah, so when you went in Pink, you took stuff from there as well?
It was only Pink and Aloe.
Aloe? Just those two stores? Okay.
Is your ex at least decent about it?
All right. Well. All right.
DJ said he's on his way here, so.
Did he want to wait, or?
Well, I think he's more worried about the merchandise.
There's Victoria's Secret, too.
All right. So. I'll probably get save it.
All right. If he needs volunteers, I have him in my clipboard there.
No, we got to do that right now.
Okay. Victoria's Secret's probably.
Yeah, they could write it down for secret.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, no, they're not.
All right.
Yeah. All right. You ready?
The stolen goods totaled $161.55, and during the investigation, officers discovered the woman had an outstanding arrest warrant from East Brunswick, New Jersey.
Right here, because there's a bench.
All right, then I'll take it.
Yeah. So this Victoria and Aloe.
Which one's Aloe?
Some of the receipts came off.
Victoria. This is all Victoria's Secret by Victoria's Secret's by the main.
Yeah.
Main hall. Aloe. Aloe. Should all be Victoria's Secret.
Yeah.
Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret.
Jesus. Where's this from? Aloe.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, just get up in my business. Don't worry about it.
Alright, take all the time.
Yeah.
You want me to help you? You got it.
Oh, no, I should be alright. I should be alright. Just,
I know. These look good on me? They shove them down their pants and help them carry it.
Hi. So,
Charlie 111.
yeah, she just stole it from here. So, yeah, the girl we were just outside with right now. Oh, yeah, so she had all this from you guys. So, she admitted to stealing it. So for us to, like, return it, I don't know if you guys are familiar. Like,
Let me call them out.
yeah, if you don't mind.
Police were only, I need you to the conflict.
She had a, oh my gosh, she had like a floral skirt. Hello.
Yes, I know exactly.
Yeah, with the blue, with like a greenish blue hat.
Yes, today.
Oh, just like a few minutes ago.
Just now.
Yeah, yeah, she was just right. We were just right over there. She just took it all off her skirt right now. So what we?
I even said to her, she dropped something, and I said, "Oh, I love your skirt." It's full.
Oh, it was definitely full. So what we need is like a receipt with all like the prices, and then like just a statement saying that we returned it back to you guys, is confirmed stolen, and we're just giving it back to you. That's pretty much it.
Nice. I love our men in blue. I do.
Oh, I appreciate
It's
that.
gonna be a minute.
No, don't worry.
Laura, can you grab me another iPad? So I have AP.
Oh, there we go.
This by itself is like almost $200.
It's just ridiculous. She's worried about going to her kid's like birthday thing.
The rest of it?
For any amount, doesn't matter. It could be $5.
Oh,
Yeah,
back to
yeah.
being normal again?
No, still no, but it's if you call, yeah, no, we'll still able. It doesn't matter the dollar amount. It just changes like the degree of the charge. That's all.
Yes, can you go straight back on your right?
No, she was arrested for it was Aloe, something Aloe. I guess it's a news store. I've never seen it.
Yeah.
Obviously, and then she pulled this out, and then I was like, okay, what else did you steal from? Because clearly, I'm sorry.
Should be about 5'4". I'm 5. Almost.
She's about your height. Yeah, she's about your height.
Shorter than me. She has a thing on her head, right?
She has a hat. Yeah.
One middle female under. Be transporting from Kohl headquarters.
No, thankfully no.
She was transported to the Millburn police station and charged with shoplifting. Due to the outstanding warrant, she was later transferred to the East Brunswick Police Department for further processing.
Do you have any weapons on you? No knives? Guns? Razor blades? Wire cutters? Nothing like that?
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing at all.
Watch yourself.
I'm going to throw this stuff on the passenger seat.
Alright. Got it, you can have a seat. You're going to sit underneath the blue seat belt.
I give you a call.
Two phones and a purse, sir.
She had a car.
Car? good question.
12 Bravo 9, thank you.
How'd you get up to the mall today?
Somebody gave me a ride.
Okay, so do you have a car here?
No.
How'd you plan on leaving?
The person was supposed to meet me back.
Okay, you're not here with anybody else?
I live in Queens, so the person would give me a ride where I could take like a metronome back to because I live in the address I gave you is Rosedale.
Okay. Alright, so you weren't here with anybody else? Okay.
Clear.
The girl just abused me.
1500.
I'm finna kill myself, yo. I'm the worst mother.
The woman was charged with retail theft exceeding $1,100 in merchandise from Victoria's Secret, Pink, and Aloe Yoga. And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation. Officers arrive at a residence in Ohio on July 2, 2024, tasked with enforcing a court-ordered custody transfer.
Hello. Hi. Are you Alexa?
Why?
Are you Alexa?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! No, he didn't.
What? Didn't what?
Hold on.
You want to talk with us out here for a second?
Man, you're strong.
I'm sorry.
You cooking chili or something?
Nah, baked chicken and onions.
Okay.
She in there.
Okay.
She's perfectly fine. She's safe.
What do you know about it?
Yes. We've been trying to get away from her daddy for almost 2 years now.
Okay.
Keep finding us everywhere we go, just in St. Louis and Columbia. This is an ongoing thing. We used a court case to find where we was at the first time in Columbia. I told them that everything is court documented, but they not trying to help. Trying to make me give her to him, which I just not gonna do that. So I really don't know how he got this address.
I don't know either. Do you? So I was trying to look you up. Where do you have a driver's license through? What state?
In Missouri.
Missouri? Is your name spelled correctly?
Yeah.
And your birthday 5/27/95?
Mhm.
And you have an ID through Missouri?
Mhm.
Okay. Did you get a copy of this? All right. Bad news. This order right here, signed by a judge, issued by the Marion County Circuit Court, says that it is ordered that law enforcement immediately assist Blake in obtaining the physical custody. So she has to go with him today. That's the end of the story. You could listen.
I gotta go get my AT.
Listen, you could be charged.
She can't. No, I don't care. I want to get arrested. She's not going with him.
She's going.
She's not going with him. She's not going with him. Y'all can arrest me right now. She's not going with him. She's not going with him.
So
they already know this. No, she's not going with him.
She's going with him, or she's going with him and you're getting arrested. Which one?
Y'all can arrest me. She's not going with him. Y'all can arrest me. She's not going with him. She's not going with him. He already know that. She's not going with him. If I see her with him, I'm never gonna see my baby again. He has no rights to my child.
This is
He's been in
signed by
jail
a judge.
her whole entire life. No, he's not going with her. No, I don't have money for none of that.
This paper's signed by a judge.
He's not going with him. Y'all gonna have to arrest me.
We are bound by our duty to get her in his custody today. Okay? And you don't need to make that any more traumatic on her than it needs to be, okay?
Because if we do arrest you, you know how bad that's going to look on you in front of a judge? So with any hopes you trying to get her right back, and it shows that you got arrested when officers did this, it's going to look really bad. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? So I got kids, and I know if I did something I got arrested, it's going to look really bad on me. And I don't want that to happen to you, okay?
The mother insists the child is safe in her care and quickly pivots to accuse the father of abuse.
I'm not trying to
No, you're fine, man. I wasn't making any progress.
No, don't take that.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
She don't even want to go with him. She in there, y'all can ask her. She don't want to go with him. He abusive. He been beat my ass for years. I want her to go with him.
So, regardless of all that, I want to go talk to him, see if he wants to.
Can I go get my auntie?
I have to come in there with you since the kids. Look, please listen to me. I'm a parent too. We don't want to arrest you because it's going to make you look bad, dear. Please understand. Please, I don't want to arrest people. You understand? If we end up having to arrest you,
no, you're not getting her. He's not getting her. We're gonna fight. Y'all have to arrest.
Don't.
If a judge awards full custody to a father with a criminal record, it says a lot, mostly about the mother's circumstances.
No, you're not getting her. You're not getting her. You're not getting her.
Don't. It's gonna make you look real bad. It's gonna make you look real bad. I don't want you in trouble. Please, let's go in here. You can make phone calls all you want. Let's go in here. Come on. It's not over at this.
It is. It's not.
That's why you gotta take the court. Come on, let's go inside.
No, she's gonna come here. Don't come here now. You're not getting her. Y'all gonna have to arrest me.
I don't want to do that. Look at me. I don't want to. Look at me. I don't want to arrest you.
They've been trying to take her for years. Please.
So why didn't you get an attorney?
Please, because
So listen to me. On a money standpoint, usually they don't want their money until after the court's over with, and a lot of attorneys will do a payment plan, dear. Okay. But this is a court order. It's signed by a judge. Our hands are tied on that. But how you act going forward, that's either going to hurt you or help you. And I don't want you in trouble.
No.
Do you understand that? I don't want you in trouble. Because then it's going to look so bad on you. You might not get her back. So if you just... Can you help me calm her down?
They told me I gotta get her too.
Can you help calm her down for me,
What
please?
you saying? What happened?
So we have a court order signed by the judge that the child goes with him. It's signed by the judge.
What judge?
The
Marion County one.
So here's the deal. She's talking about if we take her, she's going to go to jail. We don't want to arrest her because it's going to do nothing but make her look bad. We don't want her in trouble. We don't. So, because then if she tries to go to get the kid back and it looks like she got arrested, why we did this?
Come here.
By order of the judge. But please listen to me, dear. By us doing this, signed by a judge, if she ends up getting arrested for interfering with this while we're doing it on behalf of a judge, it's gonna look real bad on her, and I don't want her in trouble. I don't. Please stress that.
So
it's signed by a judge. It's not over. It's not over yet.
What is the paper exactly saying?
My supervisor has a copy of it.
What is it now? Let me hear it, baby.
Hey, breathe. Just breathe.
She don't want to go in.
Hey, just breathe, please. Plus, your kid don't need to
We
see
ain't
this.
never been away from each other. She can't go in.
Bound by law. But you don't want your kid to see you like this, right?
You do this, Lexi. I don't even know. Today.
But I don't want your kid to see you like this.
They can do that like that without saying anything.
That's why I told her to get an attorney. She's worried about finances. A lot of times the attorney don't want money until after the case is over. They'll work with you. They really will. But our hands are tied when it's signed by a judge, dear. Okay? And she's talking about, we're going to have to arrest her if we take her. I don't want that because it's going to look bad on her if she tries to get her kid back.
So, like without saying nothing to you, somebody can take your kid like that?
That's way above our pay grade. A judge signed that order. It's not police. It's not like we just randomly wanted to show up and take a kid. I'm a parent. I don't like doing this.
She don't want to
It's just this is by a judge.
But where do she get a copy of the paper?
What's that?
Does she get like a copy?
Is that her copy?
I mean, she, as far as I know, she can have this copy. I have an email copy too, so if you guys want to hold on to this, that's fine. He told me that his lawyer emailed her a copy. I'm not sure if that happened.
So maybe when you were moving around or whatever and you said he keeps finding you, maybe he tried sending stuff when you moved. I don't know. Okay, I'm not trying to paint a bad picture here.
They've been trying to take her for years. Please don't make her go. I'm not gonna get her back.
So
They gonna keep her. They're not
So
gonna give her
that paperwork doesn't say that he keeps her forever and you never get to see it, right?
That's what they doing, but that's what they've been trying to do for years. As soon as they get her.
This is 7 pages long. It goes into a lot more detail. One of those details.
Listen, girl.
Let me find it. So for the time being, this order grants is Alexa alternating weekends on Saturday and Sunday 10 to 4.
Oh! Lexi!
The woman escalates the situation by physically assaulting the father, leaving officers no choice but to arrest her for domestic violence.
You not take her!
I'm pressing charge too. I'm pressing charge too.
Stop.
I'm pressing charge.
Stop.
You not take her! Don't let him take her! Don't let him take her! I just want to let him take her! Don't let him take her! No! He can't take her, y'all. If he take her, I'm not gonna get her back.
Listen.
Please.
Hey, listen. You want to wind up here too? No.
Get him out. No, get him out of. Get him out of her.
Get back.
Get him out. He already got the baby.
You're under arrest.
Got the baby.
You're under
Get him
arrest.
out of her.
Turn around. Put your
Get
hands
him out.
Turn around.
Get him out.
Turn around. Put your
Why
hands.
is he still here if he has the
You're gonna
baby?
get sprayed.
Why is he
Turn
still
around and
here
put
if
your
he
hands
has
behind
the
your back.
baby?
Turn around.
Why is he still here?
Turn around and put your hands behind your
Why
back.
is he still here?
Right now.
Why? Why is he still here? He agitated her.
Turn around.
Why?
You are under arrest.
Okay,
You're under
make
arrest.
him leave first. We
You're
can
under
all
arrest.
go to jail. Make him leave first.
You are under arrest.
Make him
Turn
leave
around and put
first.
your hands behind your back.
Make him leave first.
Turn around.
Why is he
This
still
is a
here?
public roadway. He can be here.
He got the kid.
You are under
He's
arrest.
causing.
He doesn't have the kid.
Where's she at?
She's inside your house.
We ain't never been away from
I don't want her to see you like this. So for right now, you're gonna sit here.
I want him to take my baby.
157. We have another unit available. Start this one. 157. We got one detained. We're about to have another one.
I don't want this to escalate any farther.
Then why didn't you tell me from jump that he didn't have
You
her
came
yet?
hot and bothered trying to interfere
I didn't
with my
come hot and
arrest.
bothered. I came to get her.
Officer Taylor, she's under arrest. Okay. Just please comply. Please.
Listen, why
Ma'am,
you
I'm
didn't
asking,
say
please.
just go get
I'm
her?
asking you, please. Just don't resist. Just comply. That's all I'm asking. Please.
Why you didn't just say go get the kid out the house so he can go? She already told y'all what she owned.
We're trying to fix your hair, dear.
Please.
We got more officers on the way. Okay. Well, thank you for not getting involved. Listen, the way you were acting
It's not the way I was acting.
listen,
No,
the
I
way you
came
were
to
acting
collect her and tell him to leave.
led to your arrest.
You should have said that over there
I have no
that you
intention of
needed
taking-
her
I have no
out of the house.
You came and interfered with my arrest. I have no intention of taking you to jail, okay? I have no intention of taking you to jail, but you are under arrest. After we get this all figured out, I'll give you a summons and you'll be released back to your household, okay?
So which one is her?
It's easy
Which
as
one's
that.
Alexa?
None of those kids at the door are her.
So, how old's your kid?
She's only 7.
Okay, 7. Okay. All right, well, let's walk this way. I got one in mind if you want to. I'll walk through your cruiser.
That's fine.
All right, let's walk down here to this SUV right here.
Her behavior raises serious concerns about the kind of environment she's creating for her child.
I already knew this was gonna happen. Like, I'm used to it now. I done already had the press charges on it. I know. In Missouri, Illinois, and now here.
You hurt?
Huh?
You hurt?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. She hit me in my face, but I'm fine.
You can handle yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's under arrest for domestic violence.
Yeah.
5303. It sucks that it had to turn out like that.
I know, man. Cause she doesn't know how to stay calm. Like, you can at least say bye to your daughter. Come on, man.
I've tried 3 times and I can't figure out who she is.
I should lie about her name too. That's what she has a application on Illinois for. She told the police that her name was my daughter's name.
Well, it's not spelled wrong, is it?
No. Eixa.
Yeah.
Yeah, she had 2 ones, so she had 2 of them. So.
And are we sure this is her birthday? Positive that's her birthday.
See, it might be 96 or 94.
I don't know what transpired with him and her. I was trying to do something else.
No, I'm saying when we were at the door, why y'all didn't just say the kid is still in the house?
What are you talking about?
He said he don't have her. That's why he's still here.
Yeah, he's supposed to be getting the kid.
So that's what I'm saying. That's why y'all didn't say that. If she already told y'all what she on. And he come in here trying to act like he's bed of roses. He tried to kill my niece.
Will you hang out with her? Why?
How am I supposed to?
He'll help you. He'll help you get in there. Here, let me move this. This is just a seatbelt, dear. I'll throw it out your way. You don't have to put it on. You can use this step. There's a step here. Here, I'm not trying to do anything crazy. I'm just trying to help you right here, okay? All right. So this is Rouch's Cruiser. I don't have a key to it. If you want to, you can keep the door open. Just don't leave her, or you can shut the door. Okay. All right.
It's genuinely encouraging to see a father step up and fight for his child's well-being, especially when the odds are stacked against him.
Here, I'm gonna wipe your eyes. I'm gonna wipe your eyes so she don't see like Mommy wants to tell you she loves you. Hey. Say I love you, Mommy.
I'm coming to get you, okay?
You're in no trouble, dear. You hear me? Young lady, you're in no trouble, okay, sweetheart? You just go with your daddy.
I'm coming to get you.
Your mom loves you, okay? Don't let her remember you in a certain type of way. You hear me? So, I know you don't want to be labeled as this, but technically you're a victim. So where old is she?
She's hit me on my face. And she kicked me. Yes, she broke me.
Okay, I don't want her to hear. I don't want her to hear anything. It's hard for the kid.
Right, yeah, I know,
technically
man.
the kid's the real victim.
Right, yeah, they should never even seen none of this in the first place.
So I know she ran up here, but in your own words, what happened?
She ran up on me, kicked me, and then she tried to punch my car. Then I grabbed her and she hit me in my face.
Okay. You got your ID on you, bub? I know you dealt with my other officer, but she's being arrested today for domestic violence. Okay. I know you said you wanted charges too.
Yeah.
So, what's your phone number, Blake? Okay. What's your actual address? Is it this?
No, it's 15.
Where did she strike you in the face?
She hit me right here.
I know we saw it.
You can't really see nothing. She hit me
I got you. So, just the hit in the face, and then trying to come at your car. Okay. All right. Make sure you keep contact with your attorney. Let them know what happened.
Okay, I will.
Let them know the sequence of events that took place here.
Yeah, because she's already ordered to take anger management and mental evaluation and all that. I mean, that's just the soul that she needs.
So obviously I didn't get a bag packed or anything. I was just trying to hurry up.
Right. Yes, I was going to ask her, does she want to grab anything, but she said she doesn't want to grab anything. She has everything out of the house.
So your daughter's going to need some help through this.
Yeah, I know.
Still mommy.
Yeah, I know.
She still loves mommy. Mommy loves her, right?
Yeah, I was talking about that the whole ride here.
You're going to have to sympathize with her. Just don't paint mom in a bad picture.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, please don't do that.
Yeah, one thing I'll never do is what she did to me and keep my daughter from her. That's one thing I'll never do.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and take off. If I have any other questions, I'll give you a call, or my boss will give you a call.
Okay? Thank you, man. Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Just call that number that's on there, okay? Like I said, usually
This phone number right here. Call that. Any questions about that? All right, you're free to go.
I'm serious.
So your neighbor's still in there with the other kids, okay?
To look into that court, St. Louis washed their hands of it.
So I just need
I
to
know
understand.
what you said.
The judge
I know
ordered
what you
this,
said.
so our hands are tied because
They-
the judge
but-
ordered it.
But listen, cross your eyes and dot your T's.
Well, we gave her a copy of what the paperwork said, okay? So we're not trying to pull a fast one on nobody.
I know y'all just doing y'all job, but I'm telling y'all, do it to the T.
Okay.
They got that court in Centralia, Illinois, sold up.
Okay.
That's how he's able to do all of this. Beat my knees to drag her through the streets. It's all documented. He keep finding her everywhere she goes.
So right now, your kids are kind of really upset. Some of them were crying.
I know.
think that needs to be your main
They
concern.
were
just
crying
going in
before
there. Okay.
That's my concern.
I
But
got
I want y'all to know. Just clear my conscience. I told you.
She spun lies for years until her husband finally had enough and turned to the law in a bid to bring their daughter home.
She's gonna have it.
157.
We're gonna fix it. Please cooperate. We're going to fix it. I know, baby. Please don't make it worse. Okay? I can't breathe. You need to go to the hospital? I need my baby. Lexi, please do not make it worse. I cannot help you if it gets worse than this. Okay. I done already put my job on the line. Everything. So just calm down. Okay. And cooperate. We're going to fix it. I promise. You need to get all the battered women, anything that you can find while you're here. Ask for help. Okay. Calm down. I'm about to call your aunties and everybody. Just calm down, okay? And cooperate. Okay. Lexi, please. I am. I gave him your ID and your phone.
I have your ID and your phone. So if there's numbers in here you don't have memorized, you have your phone, okay? All right. Thank you. Appreciate it. Man.
Okay.
34706. All right, dear, we're gonna go inside my little temporary spot in here, and we'll get the paperwork started. All right, go ahead and step out for me. Stand over there for me. All right, face my car. All right, go ahead, step on in here. You see the black knob on the floor? You're gonna stop there and then face that concrete wall. All right, go ahead, step on in here. You're going to immediately hook a left and have a seat next to the desk. Yep, right here, dear. Are you going to be a little bit better for me? Keep you somewhat calmer. I got her ID over here if you needed it. I ran it. They found her. All right, go ahead, have a seat, okay? We already notified of your rights. Okay. So, again, the state of Ohio is pretty serious about DV based off what we saw and what he wanted done. That's the reason why you got charged with domestic violence today. Okay.
The suspect was charged with interfering with child custody and assault. And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we'll move on to the next situation. Officers respond to a disturbance at a hotel involving a woman refusing to leave her room.
I don't know what's wrong with her, but she's just screaming at us. She's supposed to be checking out.
Yeah.
Like at 12 o'clock.
She was supposed to be going on there?
Yes. And she was hiding in there, and she was hiding in the
sheets?
Sheets. Well, the housekeeping were going to go ahead and clean, and then she started yelling at me. She said, I'm just going to help him. Help him, Mama. Terrified. Oh my God, they're going to break me. Ma'am? 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 I need you to open the door, please. Please.
You guys have that deal? For the deadbolt?
Yes. Can you ask?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You don't know how to use this?
The fork?
The same one that you have?
The one what?
The one that you have?
No, this is the one I used.
Do you mind if I just have it too? You can just get that away. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Don't attack me. Last time this happened, I had to call the cops because a woman raped me. Don't do it again.
Ma'am, we are the cops.
Okay, good.
Can you step away from the door?
Can you step away from the door so we can go in?
No, the last time this happened, they didn't answer the questions properly. Okay, so what are my Miranda rights?
Can you
What
open
are
the
my
door,
Miranda
please?
rights?
Can you
I
open the
cannot
door,
open the
please?
door till you tell me my Miranda rights.
Can you open the door, please?
Okay. Okay, can you close it to open it? Can I close it and then I'll open it? Okay. Okay. Let's talk about this. What is the question? Miranda rights, do I have them? What are they?
You need to get your belongings. So
Okay, what are my Miranda rights?
Get your belongings.
Do I have Miranda rights? What are my Miranda rights?
We're not asking.
What are my Miranda rights?
Ma'am,
What are my Miranda
belongings? You need to come out.
Miranda rights? Do I have them?
So we can.
What are my Miranda rights? Can someone read me my Miranda rights?
You have the right to remain silent and these state county will be against you in the court of law. You have the right to a lawyer. I'm present with you if you question. If you cannot afford a high lawyer, won't be appointed representative for any question you refuse. You just at any time to exercise these rights and answer my questions, make any statements to understand these rights. I've read them to you and explain them to you.
Yeah.
Cool. Understand these rights. You wish to speak to me.
Yeah.
Cool. Alrighty. Well, we're here because you need to leave.
Oh. Okay.
Cool. Yeah. Can you get your belongings so we can step out?
Sure.
Cool. Thank you.
Do you guys want to watch me leave? Because
that's
Okay, that's okay. Sorry, no offense. Or whatever they said. Sluts, bitches, whores. What's next?
Her behavior quickly spiraled, showing clear signs of emotional instability, even as officers tried to calm things down.
Hey, slut. Nice today, you fucking slut. You know what day it is? You're a bitch.
What's your plan to do after this?
I was trying to get a Verbo, but then Verbo stopped working.
What's verbal?
It's an app.
Oh, okay. Is it like a car app?
No, it's like an app to get a hotel, but it's better than a hotel because Airbnb blocked me.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, Zimmer got me that book.
I assume you have a place to get food and stuff like that after this?
What's the question?
You have a place to get food and stuff like
No,
that?
I don't.
No?
Nope. I already got food.
Okay, good. You already fed yourself?
No, not really. I didn't really eat.
No,
I
not
took like
hungry?
one bite and I was like, I'm not hungry. Did you guys eat today? It's funny. Okay. Does a slut have to watch me or can we get her out of here?
She has to be here. She's an officer.
sluts.
She's an officer as well.
Oh, okay. Oh, those are the bad ones. The last time a woman cop came, she said, you have no Miranda rights, and then she was like, you're going to prison. And then she sent me to prison, and I had to go in a dungeon, and it was awful. Nasty fucking filthy whores. I hate women cops. Ew. Why do I hate women cops? Oh, because my ex-boyfriend was like, I'm cheating on you with your mom. I was like, that's fucking slutty. He was like, I'm 15, she molested me, what do I do about it? I was like, I don't know, break up with me. He was like, you break up with me first. I was like, you're my protection right now, bitch. What do I do about that? Not you, bitch, slutty ass slut. Don't look at me up and down. I need to do shit. Fucking sluts. I hate when they look at me. God, if a woman looks at me again, I'm gonna get scared. Okay,
You
sorry.
need to stop.
Okay, now stop.
Throw something at her again and you're going to
I was
handcuffs.
throwing it at the wall.
Okay, just understand that.
Understand what?
You throw something at the officer again and you
This
go in
officer
handcuffs.
again, you get a cuffs. Okay, no.
You have 5 minutes to get the rest of your stuff.
Okay.
14:49, 1:49.
What time is it right now?
1:49.
Oh, okay.
You have less than a minute
To do what?
to get your stuff so you can get out.
And do what?
So you can.
Oh, be on the streets again. I forgot. Another night of being on the streets because a bad cop. Oh, the female cops. Okay, got it. So what's next? Bad female cops on orange. Oh, it's a bad whore? Okay, the bad cochinas. Got it. What's next? He was like, bad. I was like, what are you saying next? Bad female cops, bad cochinas, bad girls. Oh, they're in the bad girls club. Well, I don't want to be in the bad girls club. I was like, I'll wait till I get married, you whores. Dumbass bitches, slutty ass whores.
Her actions definitely suggest there's more going on here than just bad behavior. This situation seems like a clear case of mental health struggles.
Your first name? Huh? You didn't ask me my first name. You said my first name.
You want your trespass?
Who's they? Oh, good.
You want your trespass?
Okay. I'll tell them later.
No, I need it.
Who's they? Who's they?
If you don't give it to me,
Who's management? I'll tell management. I'll go downstairs and tell management my first name.
no, you're gonna tell this officer.
Which officer?
Me. One officer.
Oh, okay, Sienna.
Sienna?
No!
What's your name?
Sienna.
How do you spell
Why'd you
that?
say Sierra? Who came up with that name?
Where's your ID at?
I don't have one.
Okay, how do you spell your first name? How do you spell your first name?
Sunaina.
And your last? How do you spell your last name?
Oh, B-A.
You understand what trespass means?
Yeah,
Okay, so you're going to be
1,000
trespassed from the property. If you
Okay.
come back on the property at
I
all,
know what trespassing means.
you can't
I
be
get
arrested
I
or
get a warrant
cited,
for my
okay?
arrest. Nah. It's not like this doesn't happen to 100 times.
Thank you.
I'm like, who is so gay they can't function? Oh my god. Who is outside right now?
All the officers?
What? That's fine. I don't care about officers, but who's outside right now that's bad? Okay, are you sure? Because that's what happened last time, and the officers threw me out because they said there was horny people everywhere, and I was like, what horny person wants to kill me? Because I said, I'm going to stay here because that's what they said. I checked the app. Where's my phone? The app was like, it literally said check out tomorrow. Where the fuck is the app? I literally checked it right when the fucking whore was banging on the door. And she was like, I'm going to break down the door. I was like, this is deja vu because that happened when I went to the last hotel, or the last Virgo. It's always a slut at the door saying, if you don't die, Sierra will actually murder you. I was like, guys don't want to murder me. Why does a woman want me dead? Not like physically, not like sexually dead. Women want me murdered. And I was like, why? Why do they want me murdered? Why the fuck do they want to murder me?
You want me to roll this outside?
Sure.
Okay.
Shut up, slut. Swallow. Dumbass whore.
Whatever clothing this is, yeah, this is whatever.
Yeah, a sports bar right here.
Start taking that stuff outside.
Okay, this way.
Can you have carrying that out?
Probably.
Which bag?
I can carry all these bags.
Oh, okay.
All these too? You can hold all the bags.
Okay. Okay. Just your wheelchair or whatever.
I don't have a wheelchair. You have a wheelchair? You're a grandma. God, grandma's lesbian? Why? Grandma's a lesbian. No, she's not. She wants dick. Okay, give grandma dick. What else? Oh, that's it.
Provoking officers with insults and throwing objects only escalates things. And trust me, it's going to come back to bite you.
What? Female cop say what? Say what, bitch? Say what? You want to stand in here because you're authority? You're a fucking whore. Next. No, I hate women that think they're authority. I'm like, you guys are retarded.
Okay.
Retarded ass sluts. Go, China! Sorry, I have to get rid of it. I don't want that thing, but I don't want that thing.
We're not doing this. Okay, stop.
Last time I got stuck in an elevator. My God, the last time I got stuck in an elevator. Slut. What's next? Sorry, not on you, on her. I was like, why do they want to molest me? Oh, it's not. Oh, it's called you get molested. No one believes you. By a woman. Men, that's fine. I didn't get raped. I was like, did this happen or not? Yes or no? Women molest me? No one believes me. Why? No one would believe me because I was asleep at the time? Who cares? Physically asleep. Bitch! Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt her. I didn't mean to hurt her. Okay. I actually didn't mean to hurt her.
Take off your pants.
What?
Take off your pants.
Oh, okay. Arrested for what? Warrant?
No.
Do I have a
You're
warrant?
on a peace officer.
Oh.
No,
What's a
you're-
battery? What's a battery? Don't throw things? People get mad?
Let's go.
What about all my stuff? No?
Specifically, when you throw things at us.
Oh, I didn't know that. But they threw things at me.
From Las Cruces?
She's homeless, so she feels like she has nowhere else to go, making it harder for her to just walk away until she's physically removed.
Well, were you born here?
Born in Las Cruces?
Yeah.
No, I was born in Cincinnati, but I lost my passport. It's going to the Verbo that trespassing.
Okay. Do you have any family here in Las Cruces? No, they're all from Cincinnati? Where at?
What's family? Like, where does my parents live?
Yeah.
Houston.
Okay, so you don't have anyone you can contact here in Las Cruces that lives here? You just go place to place? Do you have a vehicle here?
No, my car's at my parents' house. My mom put it in her name.
Okay, so how'd you get here? You just got an Uber somewhere?
Lyft
Okay.
or Uber,
Oh, there you go.
One
Yeah.
of those. I don't know.
Okay. And you understand why you're in handcuffs, correct?
Like there was something. I was mad. I was like in a bad mood.
At an officer. So I'm just letting you know that's why you're in handcuffs, okay?
Well, the last time I got arrested was because a woman told me that I was bad and I wasn't doing anything. I was like drawing. I was like writing a poem. And then they came to Whataburger and they're like, "You're trespassing." And I was like, "No, I'm not. They're trying to charge my phone." And then they were like, "What's your charger?" I was like, "I have like multiple chargers." So I uploaded all my chargers, and that's when she arrested me and attacked me. And then I said, "What are my Miranda rights?" And then she did what you guys did and like took away all my stuff and said, "You're going to jail." And then when I got to jail, they were like, "This is." And then they said, "Who's Reba McEntire? What's your favorite color?" And then they asked me another question, and I was like, "What are you guys saying?" And then I had to go in a dungeon in the basement, and then I had to sit there for like I don't know how many days, and then finally I left.
Well, when's the last time you got some sleep, Sienna?
I slept for like 14 hours last night, and then I woke up.
Last night?
Yeah. Well, I don't know, because I thought it was 4 p.m., and then it was... They were like, it's 4 p.m., and then they said it was...
Did you sleep last night, though?
What's night?
Or did you sleep? Did you sleep at all? Have you slept at all?
Today?
Or yesterday?
I didn't sleep for a couple days.
So when's the last
I was on
time?
the streets.
When's the last time you slept, though?
I took like a power nap for like an hour and a half.
She was charged with battery.